Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is... It's fucking March already. It's March 4th of 2023. And it's good to see you all again. The plan for today's stream is to work on pre-commit.ci. I have a bunch of things that... Well, I have one thing that's mostly a convenience thing, and then another one to address some reliability issues, because being dependent on GitHub packages and Docker Hub seems to be a problem. So we're gonna try and make that a little bit more reliable. Oh, that's so weird. The blue in Twitch chat is different than the blue in... Oh, maybe you just don't have a color original, Mr. Hayes. That could be it. That actually probably makes more. Anyway, let me say hi to everyone who's here. D Delsp was first today. JJMC is also here. Good to see you both again. Drunk Time Lord has resubbed at 24 months, getting you a fancy new badge. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well, and I appreciate your continued support. We've also got Exonity, who has resubbed at tier 3 at 26 months. You just had to one-up Drunk Time Lord there. And let me replay this one as well. We've got Grandpa's iPad. A middle-aged grandpa. Yes. Thank you for the resub at 29 months. Holy shit. And then Beldothis has resubbed as well. And Kevin. Oh my god. This is what happens when I don't stream for a while, doesn't it? Thank you for the resub, Beldothis. And thank you for the resub, Kevin. You are almost at 3 years, which is crazy. It's crazy. But I appreciate your continued support. I Heart Coding has subscribed with Prime. Thank you. Appreciate it. Welcome to Subdom. Oh my goodness. Where was I before I was saying hi to everyone? I think I was at Lord Ira. Hello, hello. Original Mr. Haste has resubbed also. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. It's been a bit. But welcome back. Transylvania boy. Speaking of people who haven't been here in a while, it's good to see you again. Welcome back. Kevin's here. How you doing, Kevin? Memo. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Gamer boy, good to see you again. Beldothis is also here. How's it going? Yeah. We're minutes into the stream and already scanned. Thank you for the bits, D-Dolls. Nikita, it has been a while. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Crow is also here. Hello, hello. Self-Help Hub. How you doing? Thank you for the bits. I appreciate it. I didn't do cheer one. Silly TTS. And Arilla, hello, hello. Original Mr. Haste, good to see you again. Exonity, Drunk Time Lord, hello, hello. I Heart Coding, welcome. Chris says how long you've been streaming for. You can do bang uptime and it'll tell you. Do you mean like total, like ever? I believe this is, let's see, I started in 2018. So we're almost 5 years now. Also, I'm wearing a new shirt, chat. Do you like my new shirt? I like my new shirt. I think this one might become my new favorite shirt. I like the colors. It's my vibe. It's my vibe. Wolford's here as well. Oh my god. Thank you for the gift subs, Wolfred. To Hallow Met Berry, Gus Round, Trevor W, Jimmigrock, and Neil deGrasse Code. Okay, welcome. Thank you for the gift subs. There's your buttons. What is in the water today, chat? What is going on? How many years? Yeah, 5 years. Well, almost 5 years. That's how that works, right? Yeah. 2023 minus 2018 is 5. Kevin. Oh no. Oh no. Kevin, thank you. Where's the Kevin command? Thank you for the 10 gift subs, Kevin. Holy shit. Welcome to Septum Rokomanza, Flotstrew, Drowning Buffalo, Day Day, Cleopatra, Bogglehead Torch, Medimes, Knackle Eric, Iserx, and Mihil. And Tiny Small 69 has resubbed at 3 months. You are a pro lurker, but I've seen you before. That gets you a fancy new badge. Oh my god, what the fuck is going on? Guys, we're never gonna be able to start the stream. Anna Rolla, thank you for the resub with Prime. And Strange Sorcerer, thank you for the resub at 10 months. And then Wolford, I don't have any more buttons. I don't know what you want me to do. Thank you for the 5 gift subs. Andrew Lane X, Addison, Val Kilmore, Truly, and Ref, welcome to Subdom. Are we good? Levels, what have they done? What is this level 7 hype train? Have they made it so it doesn't go any? They've unlocked the top now. Twitch really trying to squeeze blood out of the rock. DL says, we also like your shirt, but it seems the preference would be to not wear one today. Yeah. That is, Transylvania Boy says, it's been a while, took a break from slaying vampires to say you look fresh today. Thank you, I appreciate it. Original Mr. Hayes says, doing well, started a new job last week, congrats. That's awesome. Good to hear. I hope you enjoy your new job. If you don't enjoy your new job, well then, I guess, yeah, weird one. Kevin says, I'm doing well, just came back from a couple days in Denmark. Oh, met it with my new client there for some team building, in quotes. My main takeaway, Danes can really drink. I feel like what I've learned about most cultures is that most cultures have a oh my god, we're so far behind. Thank you, Tiny Small 69. A lot of cultures can really drink. Wilfred says, we missed you. I haven't seen you in a long time. Yeah, I've been pretty busy. I was supposed to stream yesterday, but then a massive snowstorm happened. And my power kept blinking in and out, so I didn't really want to I didn't want to start stream because it would have just been really annoying. Because I lost power for like 30 to 60 seconds, like 10 times last night. I lost power so often that I stopped software setting for Pokemon. Because I couldn't keep it running. JJMC, thank you for the bits. Scam train hype. Oh. Stupid things that Twitch does to incentivize, I guess. That's the rest of the buttons. Oh my god, now I'm behind on chat too. Holy shit. Big Time says, I was starting to think he might indeed have money to spend. Oh, Kevin? Yeah. Wolford has gifted one more sub to the Armchair General 1, which for the longest time I didn't realize there was a 1 on the end. I just thought it was the Armchair General, and my brain had erased the 1. Oh, who's also here? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Alkalon's also here. We beat the record. Yeah, you've gotten to level 8 on the hype train, which is wild. Alkalon says, now we'll do Type Racer and make him sit and stand. Is there new art on the wall, or do I usually not look at it? Nothing there is new, but I do have a new thing I'm going to add to my stream background that we're going to unbox today. Okay, well, we have gotten the toggle desk. Bye, chat. Kevin says, literally every day ended up at a bar with a minimum of 5 to 6 beers. Oh my god. Kevin has gifted 2 more subs. Well, I don't have any buttons left. But I appreciate it, Kevin. Welcome to Subdom, live coding, and Venadi? Fablo RV, hello. Loafkey! Thank you for the bits, Loafkey. It's good to see you again. Hello. Oh, I had finally gotten to your wave chat message. Hello, hello. What are we doing? What are we doing, chat? Junk Time says, minor achievement today. Found and fixed a bug in Black. Black silently failed if type comments had a syntax error. Typed AST. Oh, yeah. Wolford, what? Do you want me to unbutton my pants too? I mean, fuck, at this point. Kevin says, I mean, addicts usually find means to get their fix. I do as well. I just sell Jenny stuff when but thank you for the 10 gift subs, Wolfred, to Breaker of Code, Leaning Tower of Cheesa, Ship It Hollaballas, Kameda, Josh Ludeman, Sarab, Fizzbuzz, The Atomus, CJ, Atoda. Welcome to Subtim. And Kevin, thank you for the 80 bits. Appreciate it. What? Why are we on another level? Stop. We must not go any higher. You cannot do this. 8-bit boy, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Nikita says bye. Well, thank you for stopping by. Appreciate hanging out with you. Kagzit is here. The password manager is unlocked. I did do that already. I remembered. Mr. Singh, hello. How you doing? Coder boy, welcome to the stream. Are you taking off your shirt? Yeah, that is the gimmick. Oh my god. Kegsit has gifted a sub at tier 3? What the fuck? To Pyro. Thank you, Kegsit. I appreciate it. And Drunk Time Lord has gifted 2 subs. What is going on today? What happened? Is there something? Is it sub day? Did I miss something? What is going on? Thank you, Drunk Time Lord. I appreciate it. I appreciate all of you. John MV1 is here. Hello. No. Don't go to level 10. Don't do it. Oh no. God damn it. Day has gifted a sub, and Wolfred has gifted 5 more, and you have gotten to level 10. Okay, stop. Don't go any higher. Don't do it. Please. This is already too many. Too many levels. Oh. Well, welcome to Subdom. Chris the Crappy, Kitten Mittens, Cruel, Gene Mertens, Seshi, and Mr. Spacey. Welcome. No, don't give them a choice. Cran PL, thank you for the resub at 21 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well, and welcome back. Mr. Singh says, what is ECR? ECR is Amazon's Docker registry. It is Elastic Container Registry, which is a bad name because it doesn't hold containers, it holds images. So I don't know why they called it Container Registry, which is wrong. Kegsit has gifted another sub to -10 Celsius, and Mr. Singh has gifted 5. Stop. No, stop. Really, stop. But welcome to Subtim, Miran, Goshmile, Chalfik, Krisma, and Shines Love. Welcome. Oh, you were referencing the table, Nikita. Oh, I understand. Okay, that makes sense. I was just like, oh, I haven't seen you in a while. It's short. Okay, but you're still here. Good. Pasty's on. Oh no. ECR, let's go. So my past experience with ECR is that it's not that great, but it's also better than going down. So, and it's cheap. It's fucking cheap, which is the other reason, I guess. I mean, GitHub is free, so it's like more expensive than free. You guys put this second one. God damn it, chat. It's more expensive than free, but I think the improvement in reliability will be worth it. But we'll have to look into the like specific way we're gonna configure it and I gotta adjust my special Python code to be able to connect to it, because I'm pretty sure you need credentials even if you're doing anonymous images and blah blah blah. We got some stuff to do there. Steve, welcome. How you doing? Level 10. Thank you, chat. I appreciate it. New hype train all-time high reached. Wild. Absolutely wild. Twitch front page, here we come. No. 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 It's a rule you must abide by the poll results? I'm pretty sure that's TOS though. Like I would have to be working out in order to remove my shirt, because I don't think it's in context right now. I think that's how that works. Oh, does this just mean I'm gonna do a workout stream now? Is that what we're signing up for? Sarab, hello. Good to see you again. Topless programming greater than hot tub streaming. I could grab a laptop and get in the tub too. Kevin says I like going down. Yeah. I feel you. I agree. The second one is one? Yeah. Kexit says, not real. Why did everyone start giving subs? I don't know. You give another one. Kexit, what are you doing? Thank you for the gift sub, Kexit. I appreciate it. I do think it's pretty funny that you changed your name on Discord. Just really leaning into the Frontland jokes. You're standing, that's working out. Just put a PNG of a kiddie pool in the background. You just show your bottle after that. I don't think that's how that works. Oh, okay. The hype train is done. We're done, chat. No more. Holy shit. A level 10 hype train is fucking insane. You guys are crazy. How many subs for you to get in the top end program? I mean, I would probably just do it for free. I'd have to hook up a camera. But there's a tub on the other side of the wall. So we could tub. The problem with the hot tub programming stream is the time slot to do it was 2 fucking years ago. I don't think it would be funny anymore. But I don't know. What the fuck do I know? Wolfred says, "Test me." Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is this gonna turn into a hot tub stream? Not today. Not today. But perhaps we will do one. Am I tripping, Day? I always thought your name was Daybay, but maybe I'm confusing you with somebody who's also named D or B, or I'm just fucking dyslexic and I've just had your name wrong this entire time. Which I guess wouldn't surprise me. Metal Storm's also here. Hello. Did I just hear hot tub stream? Mebs. Cold tub. Isn't being extremely late to trends like top-notch programming memes? I guess. How content-brained are we gonna be? Insta 1,000 views? Yeah, or Insta ban. Which category would I have to stream in? Hot tubs and beaches, or would I be able to get away with science and tech? And what is it called now? Software development and program? What category am I in? Software and game development. Yeah. That one. That one. Easy Light. Hello, how you doing? Is it D-Day or I don't know. To me, it's Day-Day. He's 10,000 steps on YouTube. Oh no. Doesn't even know the category amateur. Listen. Twitch has changed it on us twice now. It used to be called programming, and everyone was fine with that. Everyone was fine when it was called programming. And then they're like, nah, programming is too similar to chickens and weed growing and earthquake maps. So fuck it. Slam them together. Now it's called science and technology. And then everyone who programmed was like, what the fuck? Wait, where'd the programming category go? That was like the perfect description of what we do. And then like there was this big petition and a bunch of people were like, we want the programming category back. And then they're like, okay, I guess we can bring back the programming category. But we're not going to call it programming. We're going to call it, well, originally it was going to be called live coders. And I was like, I hated that name. One, because there's the Twitch team called live coders, but also I feel like coding doesn't, the word coding rubs me the wrong way, sort of. But I don't know. Software and game development's fine. It's an okay name. What if you have your chair and desk in the hot tub? I feel like that misses the point a little bit. I don't know. All programming used to be hiding just as Ludum Dare. Yeah, way back in the day. Because your handle is like super old if I remember correct. Yeah, your account was created in 2012. Yeah, I didn't get into the game until like 6 years after that. This guy must be a bot. What the fuck? Is this some de-askified shit? What is this? Don't click on that link. We're gonna look at it for a sec. Is it actually my channel? Or is it some fuckery afoot? Huh. No fuckery. It's actually my channel. But why? But why, Prince Face? Why would you do this? Weird? Confused? Now I don't understand. I'm confused. Anyway. You couldn't believe I had so many followers? Oh. Have you not been to this? I mean, first time chatter. I guess you haven't been to the stream before. But, yeah, welcome to the stream. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Where I actually have more, I think I have more YouTube subscribers now, which is the first, it hasn't been like that for most of my streaming. He's actually considering a hot tub stream. Yeah. Yeah, if I can get away with it without TOS being a problem, then I guess. Coding reminds me more of like 14-year-old script kiddies that think they're hackers because they can inspect elements. I mean, we all had to start somewhere, right? Solidus? Yeah, the / is called the Solidus. There's also Heavy Solidus, which I just like the name of. What the, right? Oh, it's a compliment. Okay. It's just it's a very strange way to word that. The message was weird. I thought they would hack. Yeah, it looked a lot like the there's those shitty bot things that are like not the wanna buy followers one, but like there's this other one that's like, this person is talking about you, blah 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 blah, someone's Twitch channel, and then they're not actually talking about you, but it's a way to get people to like click out the stream. I'm a pretty big deal. I had the weirdest fucking interaction at work, in work Slack. It was really uncomfortable. How do I set the stage with. We have this like random shit talk channel where we just like talk about whatever. Like work talk is explicitly banned in this channel. And someone asked a question that was like vaguely work related, and I didn't realize what channel it was in, so I answered a like pragmatic answer to the question. And then this person just like was like, I thought we were all engineers in this channel. Well, I'm an engineer, but I don't know what Anthony is. Anthony, you should put your title and pronouns into your Slack profile. And I'm like, who the fuck are you? Why are you just like, no, I'm not going to put my fucking title in my Slack profile. I don't give a shit. If you want to look at my title, you can go to the employee directory, but it shouldn't change how you treat me. Prince Face, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. I don't know why it didn't show up. Why did we not get the notification? Did we get the notification? Am I tripping? There we go. Well, either we got it once or twice. But I was just like, one, I'm like, lol, do you know who I am? But I didn't say that because obviously that doesn't fucking matter. But I'm also like, would you really treat me differently if you knew that I definitely outrank you? But I don't know. I was just I was caught off guard, and so I just closed Slack, as you should. Dark Time says merge queues are awesome. I haven't been able to use them yet. I need to turn off this feature at work. Well, this thing called visual snapshots that I fucking hate them. I murder them. But I finally got the green light to kill them, so I'm excited about that. The person is talking about totally not w3skulls.com? Yeah. Whenever I hover over Anthony Writes CodeVods YouTube channel link, it says no data was returned. What do you mean? Both of those links work for me. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Person would have got cussed out. Anthony, engineer, yeah. My position is above yours, yeah. Hey, what's up there, John Mega? Hello, hello. Started hormones, nice, nice, good to hear. Live Cutting says, programmer move in Slack is to make a new channel called Nitpicking. Invite the person in the channel and then leave. Yeah. I gotta not spend all my social karma, though. I've learned not to give away my social karma that easily. Knife Sharp, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Crow says, is the robot searching for shiny Pokemon? It is indeed. What are visual snapshots? Okay, I can show you this because it's really fucking annoying. Get Century. So, oh, this is a new view. So, let's see if I can find, well, we can probably just find one that's failing. Probably didn't find any of these red ones, since it's pretty likely that they're failing visual snapshots. No, not that one. That'll be, doesn't have permission. Let's see if we can find one. Oh. Are you visual snapshot? No. Are you visual snapshot? That one passed. What about you? This one failed. Okay, here we go. What visual snapshots is we run a fuck ton of tests, like 1,000 of them, and then if we take screenshots and then we compare whether the two screenshots are exactly pixel identical, which if you've ever used a website, checking whether something is pixel identical is usually not going to succeed. And so these tests are horribly flaky, and everyone just mashes the approve button. There's no approve button on because I'm not logged into. I'm not on my work account. But people just mash the approve button, and because they're so flaky, we can't really do any auto merging or merge queues because the merge queue would just fail 50% of the time. So what I did is I collected a week's worth of failure data. In a week, we merged about 202 changes, 203 changes to this repository. And visual snapshots failed 103 times. And of the 103 failures, 50% of those were a flake. 19% of those were due to an intentional change. And then like 12% of them were some random person's branch failed because of the intentional change. Because there's like an annoying merge raised with what it compares the images against. So anyway, I basically collected a bunch of data and was like, listen, this is really negatively affecting people's ability to get their jobs done. I want to fucking kill this thing. Stand in my way, tell me why I shouldn't. And eventually was able to convince the people that be that I can kill this. But as you can see, it's still running, so I need to make like a replacement for it that is less impactful and non-blocking and opt-in and all sorts of other nice stuff like that. But I've been trying to kill this thing since I joined, basically. Legendary Grandmaster, hello. Welcome. I'm doing well. I hope you are as well. More ATI is also here. Hello. Visual snapshots equals screenshots for manual comparison. Yeah, except we try and automate it and it's not good. I hate the new repo view that GitHub added. Yeah, I fucking hate it too. I had it during alpha and I was like, this is bad. You should not go forward with this. Like it ruins Control F. It's like a whole bunch of clutter that I don't need. Like the current code view is pretty okay. I don't know why they need to rewrite it other than some product manager wants a raise or promotion or some shit. I don't have enough shit to do. But anyway, yeah, don't actually do that. I would create a full-blown nemesis, which you would know because they would invite you to the new nemesis channel. Yeah, I already have someone at work that kind of hates my guts. And I kind of know why. But oh my god, they did the fucking cringiest thing the other day. So this person is extremely white. They're very much a white male in tech, and they replied to my pull request in Japanese, just out of nowhere. I'm like, but why? Why would you do this? That's the fucking weirdest thing I've seen. Completely unprompted. I don't know Japanese. It was very strange. It was very strange. I have no idea what they said either because I'm like, I'm not translating this. I don't have time for this weep shit. Fuck out of here. Jamaica says, I just started them, but now it's annoying to wait for the hormones to start doing their damn job. Yeah. Why is checking every pixels for websites not accurate? Well, browsers change all the time. Shadows are somewhat inaccurate. Anytime you have placeholder test data, you need to make sure it's always the same string. And then if you have something that's always the same string, it has to be the same setup. And then sometimes if two tests run, then they'll conflict on their sample data. And sometimes the page is doing an animation, and so while it's animating, if you take a screenshot, then it's fucked. And sometimes the page is it's like loading spinner, and you take a screenshot of the loading spinner instead of the actual page. There's all sorts of fucking reasons that it'll just break. Oh, it drives me nuts. This is a test that nobody cares about. Well, there's 1,000 tests that people rubber stamp. Oh, the best part about the data that I collected for visual snapshots. The best part about this. Visual snapshots caught two regressions during that week period. One of them was also caught by another test, and so it got fixed before the PR was merged. The other one, the person who made the change blindly rubber stamped the visual snapshot regression and shipped the regression to prod. So even if it catches the bugs, people are still shipping them to prod. But my favorite part about the person that shipped the regression to prod is they were one of the people that was staunchly defending visual snapshots. So I was really just like, so tell me about how useful these are. But you shipped a bug to prod. But yeah. Maritia says, I saw an article about a replacement for snapshot tests. Let me see if I can dig it out. Yeah, I just don't want them. I just want to kill them forever. Outdated version. Hello. Good to see you again. Hello. Any claims to not be a data science, but really is a data science? Yeah, if Scrolling through images for 4 hours to build a fucking spreadsheet as being a data scientist, then yeah, I did some data science. I love the new code GitHub view finally a file tree. I don't find the file tree that useful, but I think like the file tree part is fine. It's the like pseudo editor that breaks Control F that drives me nuts. That's what I don't like. But yeah. Does this person hate your guts because you claim to be an engineer but don't have the fact in your pronouns in your Slack? No, it was a completely different person. Gabriel, hello. Typical weeb. Yeah. Exonity says, but yeah, why, right? Easylight says, I'm the guy that reviews all PRs, so all the people have a love-hate relationship with me, and it is a running gag that shortcuts and quick fixes will not go to production ever because of me. Well, that's good. I don't know why they replied in Japanese. I still don't understand. But yeah. Every visual validation issue is on point. Yeah. Alert fatigue. Yes, very strong alert fatigue. Tofu, hello. How you doing? Tuka. Oh, I've seen this thing before. Yeah. What was their spin? They have like some spin on it, which still doesn't really make it work. I can do it over here. Like, what was their spin and why it was more effective? Because I seem to remember that this is just an implementation of visual snapshots and not actually doesn't actually solve any of the problems. Yeah, they don't really say why they're not fucked. Yeah, I seem to remember that they have the same problem. Like visual snapshots just as an idea are flawed. Use the data scientist #1 tool Excel. Yeah, that's true. Well, it's Google Sheets, but have you seen YouTube content of Luke Smith? I have no idea who that is. Gosu Teddy. Don't mean to alarm you, but your keyboard seems to be broken. Oh shit. Oh no. What happened? The working definition of big data is doesn't fit in Excel. Well, not with that attitude. Crow says, what does it mean to be a white male in tech? I'll let you figure that one out. You need a file tree and a pull request. This means the pull request is too big. Yeah, that's why I've minimized the little thing in there. But yeah. We can say that being a data scientist, Anthony excel. Pandoxer, hello. How you doing? All right, so okay, the plan for today is to do essentially two things with pre-commit.ci. The first is every time that I deploy some of the apps for pre-commit.ci, for instance, web, when I go to deploy, it auto deploys to dev. For instance, this is a change I did the other day. Before I was storing items that just had plan null, which is just a waste of space, and the plan being missing is treated the same. So there's no reason for me to store null here, so I changed it to idempotent delete instead of storing null. But anyway, when I merge the pull request, it auto deploys to dev, and then after it auto deploys to dev, I manually open up this repo. Well, manually. I open up this repo, I go to this button, I click here, and then I run this validate workflow. Every single time. I always run this validate workflow. So I should just automate it. So that's what we're gonna do first today. Answers the question, how white are you? Yes. Balnatha says, hey Anthbunk, did you get any fancy schmancy Pokemon for my postcards? I did. Well, I haven't acquired them yet. But I think you're Meadow? Yeah. Franzland is Meadow form. of Vivillon. But I'm actually not playing the game right now because I'm extremely terrified of a bug in the game. So where is Meadow? Why do I not see Meadow? Oh, it's this one. Yeah, so I'm gonna be able to get this form shiny. TechX Talks, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But I'm actually not playing the game right now because there is a bunch of people that are getting their saves corrupted. And I don't really want to lose 300 shiny Pokemon. So I'm gonna wait until either another patch comes out or Pokemon Home comes out and I can get the Pokemon off the game. Because this fucking terrifies me. It's also possible that my saves are already corrupted and I'm gonna not boot the game. Because I don't really want to risk that. Yeah, I am still collecting friends in Pokemon Go because I need to get these. I need to get the non-bolded ones from postcards. So, if any of you play Pokemon Go and you're in a region that's that's one of the ones I don't have. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Moldopedia Vivillon. There's the map. There's a map on here, I think. On the map, on the map, on the map. What the fuck? Where's the map? Do they not have the map on here? Pokemon Go Vivillon map. Here? Here, one of these maybe? Okay, yeah. Based on this map, on this page. And my Pokemon Go friend code is in the Discord. But anyway. Data Version says, what does the validate dev script do? So what it does is on this account, in this repository, it opens a pull request. And this pull request intentionally has trailing whitespace. It then waits for the pull request to fail. So it waits for it to fail. Then it waits for pre-commit.ci to push to it. And then it waits for the pull request to go green. So it's basically like a full end-to-end test of pre-commit.ci auto-fixing. But yeah, that's what it does. It makes these test PRs. So if we look here, there's quite a few of them because I deploy this pretty often. Oh no, the table it's oh, the keyboard. Yeah. Did you get me A 2 shiny Pokemon raid, will the children also be shiny? No. They will not. They still have the same odds. This wasn't true in second generation. In second generation, funniness was based on IVs, and you couldn't breed 2 shiny Pokemon because there was inbreeding detection. So the best you can have is 1 shiny parent, and then you would have a 1 in 64 chance of getting a shiny Pokemon, which is pretty damn good odds. I think it's the best odds that have ever been in the game, other than guaranteed shinies. Why is my bitrate thing fucked? Fine to me. Maybe Twitch just changed the colors on it. What's your take on Zelda? I've always wanted to play more Zelda games. I have only played 1 Zelda game though. I've played 4 Swords, which I feel like barely counts, but I think I'm probably gonna play Breath of the Wild 2 when it comes out. Yeah. Vishesh, hello, how you doing? What is that word? What does this mean? Missed the clip I had of juice. Which one? Which one? What? What is this? What is this one? Wolfred. That is oh, it's Vivillon. Oh. I got the weirdest clip of juice. I was rewatching a VOD Sarcastic Dante, 45 likes. Holy shit. How are you doing? It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. 45, what the fuck? Poor Juice. Okay, so, where was it? This one. So I was rewatching this VOD while I was uploading it to YouTube, and it sounds like there's a fucking ghost in this clip. Like, her mouth kind of moves, but if you watch like zoomed in, it doesn't look like she is saying "oh Python." It just sounds like some random person is going "oh Python." It was just very strange. It was very strange. This is a funny clip, but okay, anyway. Enough scrolling through clips. Time enjoyed. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Yeah, 45 months is nuts. It's absolutely nuts. The clip of her burping is the top clip on her channel. Oh no. Mic lag? You mean in the clip, or am I desynced? I don't look desynced here, so I don't know. I don't know. Okay, but the way I'm gonna do what I want to do here is, oh, for the juice clip? I don't know. It's very strange. Very, very strange. Oh, do I want to commit this? I've never run it, but we're gonna just assume it's correct. Sync ST to a particular revision. Germano, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. I got a standing desk. Yeah, I've had a standing desk for a while. We just don't always stand on it. Oh, right. I can't just push straight to the branch. Sync ST, git branch dash m. Yeah. Oh, the music stopped. Am I still streaming? Can you all still hear me? Or is my internet dead? Or is YouTube down? Oh, there we go. It's fixed. And Exer says, guys, hear me out. What if we created a laying desk? That would be so sick. How'd it work? I mean, like, some people have, like, TVs on their ceilings. That's kind of similar, right? The problem is, like, you would need, like, a laptop or something, and you would need screens. But what do you do with the mouse? Like, the mouse is the hard part there. We totally can't hear you. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. That's why there's a redeem to make me stand. Indeed, indeed. And sit down. Ceiling projector plus bed. Yeah, they look like a dentist chair. Oh, you're not supposed to stand on the desk. Yeah. You need a zero gravity chair with a similar setup to a racing wheel. Oh, it's full of degeneracy, and I've considered it. Kevin says there should be a redeem which requires you to stream from inside your Corvette. I do have footage. I have dashcam footage. Maybe I'll throw some of it up on the VOD channel. But I guess I'd probably get Wi-Fi in my garage. So I could do that. Seems like it'd be a very cramped stream. I've seen some laying desks with recliner chairs. Oh. And a client lead who needs to lay down due to his back problem. I didn't realize it until he mentioned it. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Put your PC on the roof. Yeah. Alt work. Better not be W3 schools. Are these laying desks? Oh my god, they are. Yo. Imagine. Not sponsored. Wait, how does elevating your legs increase blood circulation? I feel like your feet fall asleep. The old way to work. The new way to work. Wait, they're shitting on standing desk too? Wait, no, they're saying it can also be a standing desk. Ah, I see. Wait, he's just sitting. Scam? Okay, how fucking... Holy shit. Okay, do you want $8,000 for a fucking chair? No, thank you. Holy shit. God damn. I need to invest in a dash cam. Yeah, mine came with the car, so it was easy. Do you drive a Corvette? I do when it's not snowy out, but right now there's a foot of snow outside, so unfortunately not at the moment. Look at these instead. Oh no, are these even more expensive? I guess if you want a fucking battle station, like like god damn. I feel like we could build one of these for much less than 7 grand. This just looks uncomfortable. Kinbiko! Oh my goodness, we were talking about you the other day. I was like, I miss Kinbiko. I haven't seen Kinbiko in a while. I hope they're doing okay. But it's good to see you. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, almost 3 AM is a little... Yeah, I guess I have to stream later and earlier? But I hope you're doing well. We miss you. Standard Robot's also here. Hello, hello. But yeah, don't feel like you need to stay up. If it's 3 AM, get some sleep. Oh. A sponsored stream? I mean, if they want to sponsor me for one of them, they want to buy me one of those, I'll fucking... Yeah, I'll stream in a crazy ass thing if somebody... if that company buys one for me. But I don't think I would purchase one myself. Sam Jordan says, I've seen someone build one. Ah, yeah. That looks like weightlifting gear in a gym. Yo, I bet we could use that as a base. Yeah, because really only the tricky part is getting the monitors up there. I'm pretty good with woodworking, so... I guess not woodworking, I'm good with building things. With wood. Which I think is different than woodworking. Octavius, hello. Good to see you again. BRB gonna make millions with my gym desk idea. I mean, you could. They also have treadmill desks. Octavius says, I'm playing through Pokemon Emerald for the first time. Oh, Emerald's a good one. Looking up Satan's Pokemon? Yeah, fucking Vivillon. Oh, actually, Kinbiko. Since I know you're in Japan, do you happen to play Pokemon Go? Because the only way to get this pattern is to get a postcard from Japan. If not, that's okay too. It's one of the ones I need. A postcard? Yeah, so Pokemon Go has this new stupid mechanic. Well, actually, I don't think the mechanic's new, but the transfer mechanic is new, where you have to visit a Pokestop and then send a gift. What exactly am I getting and where am I saying? If you don't play Pokemon Go, don't worry about it. It's fine. Don't worry about it. But in the game, you pick up a thing that you could send to people, and it comes with the location that you got it at. And then the location of that postcard can be transferred to another game to get a particular form of Pokemon. It's dumb. Seismosquake. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. I know it's probably not Squake, but I thought it would be funny. So Mega says 5 AM is bedtime for me on the weekend. Bring back the work streams. I was gonna do one on Friday, but somebody scheduled a meeting right in the middle of my day. So, yeah. Kevin says, I'm thinking of upgrading my current desk chair. Why did I open this? Why did I open that without screening it? Shit. Okay, anyway. Handy okay, so what I want to do is I want to make a workflow to automate this. I already have a workflow that does it. Oh, and actually I want to make a new repo for this because this one I get notifications for. Oh, you know, I could probably just unwatch. Yeah. Wait, is ignoring different than not watching? Oh, okay, that's the default state. I'm gonna say. You can ignore a repo so that even if people mention you, you get nothing? That's kind of great. Add some RGB. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just imagining an RGB gamer torture chair. Yeah, that would certainly be an attitude. I think that's what's lacking, yeah. Kawi Life, hello. RGB dominatrix, yeah. Yeah, you get your fuck, what are they called? The fucking tight leather suits. They have a special name. Why do I not remember the special name? But I'm just imagining one with like with like RGB LEDs all over. Oh, this is such a silly thought exercise. Why am I thinking about this? There's a Twitter account with weird dolly generations that has a picture of RGB gaming toilet. HLSNF. Oh. That's a good pun. Okay, alright, so oh, I think I need to do credentials shit for this as well. Oh, I was already on the branch. Auto validate. Yes. Okay, so how do the creds work for this? I think the creds are in this repo, which means I need to move them. You can upload a social image. Why the fuck would I do that? Actions? No. Secrets actions. Not actions secrets, but secrets actions, of course. Ah, fuck. Gotta make a new one of these. I guess you can look at my face while I do that. You shouldn't trust my link for the record. Yeah, I thought so. I'm always wary of going on Reddit. Yeah. I mean, it is a toilet that looks gamery. RGB gaming coffee. That reminds me of the clip that will live rent free in my head of so like there was this streamer who like did TikTok or did like TikTok or Fortnite dances when getting donations, and somebody donated and was like, my grandmother died, and the clip is her doing a dance to rip grandma. And that shit lives rent free in my head. That is one of my favorite internet clips. At least when you'll go in style, yeah. Bonata says, Anthony, is it better when the colored circle is small or big when catching a Pokemon? Also, why sometimes I have it in yellow and red. So the smaller the circle, so the circle only matters if you get the ball inside of it. And the smaller circle gives you a better catch rate. The color of the circle is the difficulty. Or at least I'm assuming, because this is how it was when the game came out in 2016, back when I actually played. And the green circles are the easy catch rate, the red circles are the hard catch rate, I think. But yeah. Fizzbuzz, hello. Good to see you. Yeah, you're gonna give some from Wolfred. Who didn't though, right? What did you make me watch? Yeah, it's this. It's Oh, this might be the remix though. But this is yeah, one of the funniest things. Wait, I think there's a clip on I think I made fun of this clip and either I clipped myself or someone clipped me of this. It was on Where's X's channel though. Yeah, it's this one. Might have also been me talking about. Oops, that didn't work. Me talking about this clip. Anyway, she does the dances perfectly. Well, I mean, yeah, makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna make a new one of these tokens because I'm pretty sure it needs to be shared. It needs to be shared with all of the repos because they're the ones that are gonna be executing the action, and so then the secret will get inherited. Yeah, I think that's how that works. So let me generate a new token here. I can just rotate the existing one. That'll work. Settings. Oh, fuck, where are these? I can never remember where the actual settings thing for this is, so I usually go to all repos and then Control F settings tab and then click this link because I know this takes me to the right thing. And then if I'm not creating a new one, I'll remove /new in the title. And then expired. Well, then delete. That's my jank way to get to this. It's impossible to find the original clip now? Oh no. Fizzbuzz says, remember to make sure the top 8 buttons on your dress shirt are unbuttoned. It's proper stream etiquette. I mean, I don't have 8 buttons. I only have... I have 7. Okay, so I need to click on this, and then you need to look at my face while I click regenerate. And then I need to paste it in here. My security key. Then I need to put it into here as well. So give me a sec. Where is it here? Actions? No. Secrets actions? Yeah, secrets actions. New organization secret. Validate at. Oh, what was it called before? What did I call it before? Because we just validate GitHub token. Yeah, we'll just do that. Validate GitHub token. Paste, copy this. Private repos. Yeah, that sounds good. And I need to make sure that this isn't shown. Then it should be good. And we're back. Burial. Hello, hello. How you doing? At this point, we might as well forego the pretense of wearing a shirt at all. Yeah, but I think that's against TOS unless I'm in a tub or exercising. So, yeah. If when we do a tub stream, then you can have the true no buttons shirts. Bad password? I imagine if that was the token that GitHub gave me. It was just bad password. Santan, hello, welcome. Tension between viewers and buttons. Yeah, true. It's true. Okay, so now that we have that in the right place, we can make this workflow reusable instead. I'm gonna trigger that. I think I'm gonna make it triggerable by a comment as well. How do I want this to work? Do I only want to be able to run this in an automated fashion? No, I think I can just do what I did here, add workflow call to this. That way it's still manually triggerable, but I can also call it. Yeah. That'll work. Dino says, I did read through the community guidelines. They only forbid topless streaming if women are showing nipples. You should just wear pasties when you take your shirt off. But can I get away with just band-aids? Is that good enough? Because I don't own pasties. But... Pull on what size pasties Anthony would need. Whisper, hello, how you doing? They get triggered by emojis? Nah. I don't know how to type emojis. Where pasta? Yeah, we just slap some fucking raviolis on these. Ormus, hello, how you doing? Is Anthpunk showing nipples? Potentially, if we're gonna do a tub stream. You can get away with that, or engaging in breastfeeding. Huh. I am surprised that that is a allowance via TOS. Interesting. Kyrie Life, hello. Alphenrod, good to see you in. So few buttons. Yeah. Yeah. There were too many to count gift subs? Like 40? Some absurd number? This chat just went nuts. mankinystore.com is readily available. You mean like the domain name is available, or I can purchase something from this website? Oh, I see. This thing must have made so much money from Borat. Also, I am so glad I did not show this on stream. that would have not been okay. Oof. Okay. Which community guidelines are kind of crazy to read though. Yeah, and they're not consistently enforced, so it's always like how to skirt the gray area. Following says only women showing nipples, checks notebooks. The reason men have nipples is because everyone starts off female in the womb. Yeah. Yeah, well, I mean, we all start off as a blob of cells, so I don't yeah, that's why we have a lot of similar things. But anyway, who gifted? A lot of people. Kexit, Mr. Singh, Wilfred, Day Day, Junk Time Lord, Kevin, a couple more Wilfreds and Kevins, and Kexit, and Wilfred and Kevin. A lot of people. And I probably missed somebody. Because I just scrolled quickly. Mikal Ban, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Is all Terraform stuff today? I actually don't think I'm going to be doing much Terraform. Whisper says, any opinions on Azure Pipelines? I might have to deal with them in the near future. I used to exclusively use Azure Pipelines. They're actually pretty nice, but they're just a different front end for GitHub Actions at this point. So I guess technically it's the other way around. GitHub Actions is a different front end for Azure Pipelines. Beep shmop. ECR, emphatic chocolate robot? Yeah. Technically all nipples are female nipples. Elon can't read, yeah. Pictona says, does your keyboard have any kind of custom configuration like remapping and stuff? Yes. Yes to all 3 of my keyboards. This one, oh, you can't see because it's off screen. This one, little cute 2-button keyboard. This one's remappable. This one I have my own custom firmware on. Well, I guess It has what is it called? Standard one that everyone uses, QMK. This one I can customize it, but I have not. Like these buttons are all you can change any of the buttons, but these are the like macro buttons. I haven't changed any of them, so they're all just their default right now. Elastic Container Register, yes, that is what it is actually called. Mike, hello, hello, how you doing? Welcome back. Hello, fellow humans. Yes. Hello, humans. Okay, so I think we're gonna add workflow call. And I don't remember how workflow call works, but we have done one of those here. GitHub workflows, this one. Inputs. Oh, we can do inputs as booleans. Neat. Neat. We can probably just copy paste this, right? We also have to do some secret stuff. How does that work? If I use this, does it work? I have a reusable workflow that I did at work. Oh, I did do one at work. No, that was an action, not a workflow. Well, I'll just read the docs. Oh wait, no, fucking this repository has them. This one has secrets, right? Yeah. Well then how does this work? Is it the caller that passes them? Get the workflow deployed dev. Secrets. It's secrets in here. Okay, so it's the caller that you. Metalstorm says, thoughts on putting from future import annotations at the top of every file? I put it on every top of every file. But it will sometimes break things that do runtime type inference, like Pydantic, that I also don't use Pydantic. Look it. Thank you for the bits, Kexit. And it's Vim time, I guess. Circular dependency issues? Yeah. That is one way. Breaking runtime type annotation usage is a feature IMO. I agree with you, Elfenrod. I agree. Strong agree. Cutterboy says, don't you miss having code completion or IntelliSense in your text editor? I have not used code completion or IntelliSense in a decade. No, I don't really miss it. It's pretty nice though. Having Visual Studio is very, very nice. I'm a big fan of it, but I also just haven't used it in forever. Dust underneath my plate thing. Fix that. Noctite says, what would you recommend for learning backend, Flask or Django? It doesn't fucking matter. I would recommend not worrying about what tech you're going to use and just start building stuff. You can always try both and figure out which one you want and play around with it. And yeah, go from there. But my recommendation is just like, don't fucking worry about it. Start building your project. You'll figure out what you like as you go. Personally, I don't like Django, but it's fine. Like many companies use it. My work uses it. I've used it before. I just find Flask way simpler. Elvenrat says, Pydantic is responsible for seconds of our startup time at work, and there's nothing I can do about it. That's painful. Visual Studio gets painfully slow if you have many projects. We have like 170 projects. God damn. God damn. Well, I've scammed you out of Vim time, but we're gonna actually continue to use it. Or continue to do this, so. Just so I feel like I have less scammed you. Okay, I think this is all I need to do to make it usable. And then it'll inherit the token. And this should just work. Oh, I kind of want to make it comment. do I make it comment? How do I do that? Well, let's just do this first, and then we'll figure out how to make a comment. We don't need to do the whole fucking owl in one go. Make the validate workflow callable from reusable. Reusable. There we go. For beginners, monolith Django is much easier than microservice Flask. I don't think that's even accurate, because you can make a monolith with Flask. And you can make microservices with Django. I wouldn't recommend using Django at all. But the web framework doesn't really dictate the type of repository. Kawhi says, do you use ReSharper? I've used ReSharper before. It's me, League. Hello, hello. Who says, hello, Anthony who writes code. Hello, welcome to the stream. Good to see you again. Arma says, I think for one stream, it'll be funny to have Vimbits load Nano. It'll be subtly different to Babby, and that could be funny. Yeah, I got stuck in Nano the other day. Because I was on a machine that didn't have Python, but it did have Nano. And it's pretty close, but the thing that really gets me is I've learned that I do this a lot to scroll a single line, control up and down, which is much more standardized than what Nano does. In Nano, and this is the most jarring thing. In Nano, it jumps by paragraph. And so I'll be like, oh, I want to look at one line further, and it'll just scroll the whole fucking screen. I'll be like, oh, fuck, I did it again. Damn it. Very excited for my Dantic V2, which will be written in Rust, which will make it blazingly fast. Yeah, exactly. Not microservices with Django. I still have PTSD from my former job doing that. Oh my god. Yeah, Django is not something that I enjoy working with. But... Lifkey says, I've used Vim for so long that I also get stuck in Nano. That's funny. Orma says, how does \nano work? Are you escaping your alias? Yeah. Someone in chat taught me this. But I have nano alias to this, and if you put a / anywhere inside of a word, it skips alias resolution. I don't know why. I've never found the answer to this, or where it's documented, or how it works, but yeah. This is the same as typing nano, which is strange. I don't maybe I should make a video about it and be like, hey, I figured out this thing, but I don't know why it does it. And then some beardy in the comments will tell me why why it does that. But yeah, maybe we'll bait someone in the comments. What your idea? Bypass alias. There we go. Didn't you already make a video about it? I've probably shown it in videos. Probably. But I don't think it was a dedicated video. Papa Cover P, hello, how you doing? Every time I learn something new, yeah, isn't that weird? How many beginners does it take to insert batteries? Flash doesn't come with batteries? What do you need? What do you need that something else would not give you? Like, the only thing it doesn't really have is a ORM, but you can just pip install SQL Alchemy and you're good to go. Folkveer says, anyone here have time to help me with a take-home task for a job over Discord screen share? Sounds like you're trying to get us to cheat, Folkveer. Sounds like you're trying to get us to cheat. But yeah, I don't know that I've made a video about this. Let's see. Explains. Oh, I got rid of my bookmark. Why did I get rid of my bookmark? Or am I tripping and it's there and I just don't see it? Gone. Weird. I could have sworn I had a bookmark for this. Oh well. Oh well. Aliases. Yeah, no, I don't have anything about aliases, so. Shrugs. Samara says, didn't know this. Interesting. Well, you've learned something today too. I think it's great for what Django is great for. Once you have any business logic, then everything becomes a workaround and you're fighting the framework all the time. Yeah. Yeah. Kali Life says that's what Babby is. Beta Beardy in game. Kevin says I'll do it for 50k. Fuck, I'd do it for 50k. We do the work for them and they get the commission? Yeah. Surprise Pikachu face cheating? Broken meters! Hello, hello. It's good to see you again. Welcome back. The explanation with respect to the backslash might be that backslash C is equivalent to C. Yeah. But why does that make it skip the alias resolution? Is I guess the question. But are racing to the bottom, bidding under 50k. Twitch had a surprise Pikachu face emote for a limited time. RIP emotes. Oh. Is it cheating or is it using initiatives and resources? Well, how much are you paying, Volkavir, for the cheatsies? I kind of want to take them up on the Discord cheating. Give them subtly wrong advice to guarantee they're not hired. Yeah, there you go. Kevin says, does anyone here have time to... Oh, almost spilled my water. Help me refine my smooch technique over Discord. I'm meeting Jenny at 30. Yeah, how much can I charge for that one, Kevin? Anyway, okay, so let's merge this. Maybe alias resolution includes the backslash? Seems not. Seems we can't have an alias with a backslash in it. Are you sharing? Oh no. My cutting says, I'll help you cheat and do a great job to help you land that coveted cold fusion gig. God, that brings me back. In cold fusion. I forgot about that stuff. Okay, so what repo are we gonna do this in? Well, I guess we can do it in web. We gotta figure out some. Oh, we don't need to figure out a change. We can just use the workflow change. Validate step. Okay, so then we can do validate with uses, scripts, GitHub workflows. Validate.yaml at main. Secrets inherit and needs deploy dev. I don't know if I can use needs here. I don't know if needs works there. Let's see, reusable workflows. Surely it should be able to, right? No reason that it wouldn't do that. Cold Fusion, the physics thing, or Cold Fusion, the old Adobe web product? The old Adobe web product, yeah. And Nexus says, I have back 001 and back 002 somewhere in my PS1, otherwise the coloring messes up the line wrapping for long commands. Oh, yeah, so there's actually a fix for this. That you don't need to do that. You're supposed to wrap them in escape squackets. And then these won't be treated, they won't be counted against the line or the character count. Because what your shell is doing is it's counting the number of characters in the PS1, and any of the invisible characters, you don't want them to count. So if you wrap them in escape squackets, it should fix it. But yes, also more obscure knowledge that I have no idea how I would have learned, except that my friend Buck told me that at some point. And I have shared this knowledge with so many people at this point. Like I fixed kegs or not kegs and Hoots? I fixed Juicebox Heroes. How did I confuse Kexit with Juicebox? I fixed Juice's PS1, I fixed Where's X's PS1, fixed a bunch of PS1s. But yeah. Broken Mirror says, is a California sushi roll cold fusion? because it's cold and it's a food fusion? I guess that's TL Adobe Cold Fusion. Yeah, that was like before you were born, Kexit, right? What's wrong with the PS1s? Oh, if you don't wrap invisible characters in escape squackets, then the width is all fucked up. Here, I'll show you. I will show you by intentionally breaking things. I also have to remove the new line because otherwise it won't do the fucked up thing. So we remove the new line and we remove some of these escape squackets. Just remove a bunch of them. Then if I yeah, see how it's all fucked up? Because it doesn't know the proper width of the PS1. Because it thinks that those escape sequence things are it thinks they have width, that they're girthy, but they're not. First released in '95, my parents were barely married. Say escape squackets 5 times fast. Escape squackets, escape squackets, escape squackets, escape squackets, escape squackets. I'm pretty good at tongue twisters. Okay, what the fuck was I doing? Oh, we were seeing if this is actually workable. I hate that GitHub has like these fucking blog posts, and I just want the schema. I don't give a shit about your fucking blog posts. I just want to see your goddamn schema. Needs. Job, blah, 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 job. Okay, we're just gonna assume it works because I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. Auto run validates step when play dev succeeds. Oh, we gotta merge the other one, don't we? Oh, we already did. We already did. Starting to use actions, there's a lot of cruft in their docs. Well, the problem is they do this thing when they release new features. They write a blog post about it. They wrote a pro stock about it, and then they have the actual useful shit. And for whatever reason, the SEO of the first two is amazing, and the SEO of the last one fucking sucks. And so you have to like poke around to find the page that actually has the useful information on it, instead of like reading about. Also, I am exhausted right now, and I am very sore. Because last night I got bored. Yesterday there was a massive snowstorm here, like a foot of snow, a foot of heavy snow, and I got bored, and I was like, well, if I do some shoveling now, that means I have to do less shoveling tomorrow, right? Smile. And so I went and shoveled my driveway. I also feel kind of bad about shoveling my driveway because I think my other neighbors assumed that I knew something that they didn't. Because my next door neighbor, they don't shovel their own driveway. They call a plow company to do it. And so like they saw me outside shoveling and they're like, "Oh, well, he must know that the snowstorm's over." And so they called the plow company. They plowed their driveway. And then the person 2 doors down from me got home from work or something and like noticed that I was out shoveling, and they're like, "Oh, well, if he's shoveling, he must know something I don't." And they shoveled their entire fucking driveway. And I'm just like, "Yeah, nope, I'm just fucking bored. That's why I'm shoveling." But then I shoveled again this morning because the rest of the 6 extra inches came down from the time I did the first shovel. But and it was like slush and then frozen on top. So it was very heavy. It was a lot of work. And therefore I am sore and tired. Anyway. Did you get the squackets? If you say escape squackets 3 times in front of a mirror, does Elmer Fudd appear and delete your bash RC? God, if only, right? Ew. Ew. Eos for welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. You're sore. What was it? Where did you put it? It was the 12 inches. Yeah. I got my workout this morning shoveling. Yeah, basically. They got debated. Yep. And then the person 3 doors down started singing about kryptonite. The 3 doors down joke. Mustack, hello, how you doing? Lanchor, good to see you again. Green shoes, brown socks. Welcome to the stream. Green shoes, brown socks. That just seems like a bad combination. I cut the end, I missed it. Fuck, what happened at the end? Did I just say I'm good with my tongue or something like that? Oh, you got the tongue out at the end. Okay. Alright, I thought I said something sus. we good. Anthony is just trying to eat an elephant 1 bite at a time. Ledger says, I need to buy a house north. North of what? You can use that as a new sub-alert. I think if we're gonna use something as a new sub-alert, it's gonna be the thing that happened a couple of streams ago. Also, I was looking through my clips, and this clip right here is just somebody. It's an auto-generated clip. Like, I think nothing of importance happened in this, but it's my #1 clip in the last 30 days. But yeah, if it's gonna be anything, it's gonna be this goofy thing. But yeah, anyway. Oh, I got the little bleb. Oh, bleb wasn't there. Rip. North Missouri. Oh. Pandoxer says the escape squad gets fixed it. Fuck yeah, let's go. Let's go, baby. How to recut a clip? I don't know that you can. Oh, you're in Texas. Texas is getting too hot. Well, you probably picked the wrong place. If yeah. The clip editor is like always off by a second, so you have to always give a bonus second on the end. And they're just never gonna fix it because why would they fix it? You'll just have to wait to make a YouTube moment. Is that what they're called? When the VOD comes out? Okay, I guess I could do a prediction. Yeah. Will this work? Question mark. And in order to work, it needs to trigger deploy dev. That needs to complete. Then it needs to trigger the validate workflow, and that needs to complete as well. We're explicitly defining about how it works. Yeah, so get your gamble on. Family moved to Texas, they said? I see. I see. Always bet failure? Oh wow, we got quite a split here. Let's see, we've got Kubernetes with 4K on yes, and we've got Calzone with 4K on no. Oh man, this is a lot of doubters. A lot of doubters. Oh, someone put a bunch on yes. JJMC put a bunch on yes. Okay, well, that tips the tides a little bit. Tips the times, turns the tables. Tips the scale? Turns the tides. I don't know what the fucking phrase is. Whatever phrase they actually meant, just trust. Life Cutting says, I have a strict always bet failure policy. It's my creed. In before wealth redistribution? Yeah, right. Alright, well, here goes nothing. Okay, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. The fuck I've never seen this before. I've never seen this message before. What happened? What the fuck happened here, GitHub? Okay, it worked that time. That was weird. I've never seen that before. That doesn't count. That doesn't count as failure. That does not count. I see it all the time. The merge commit it prepared when you clicked merge didn't match head. That's weird. I've never seen that. Busier the repo, more often it happens. This repo is literally just me. There's no one else committing here. I'm the only one that has access. I've never seen that message before. Very strange. CI has passed. Then it'll trigger deploy dev. And deploy dev should have 2 parts to it. Yeah, we got the little thing here. We should soon be able to see a pull request here. Where it says, what makes it have each part? I don't know what that means. Oh, but while we're waiting on this, we can do a little unboxing. I bought myself a gift of my favorite Pokeball, but I've not opened it yet because I figured I can make stream content about opening a box. Ooh! But this is my favorite Pokeball. Did it fail? It fucking failed. What? Why? It's weird. Okay, well, let me look at why it failed. Then we'll do the box. Really? I was pretty confident in this one. Can't open file. What? Oh. I know what. Fucking A. Fine, daughters win. I was so confident and I forgot to think of this thing. Shit. Oh man, now Twitch is fucked too. Oh, maybe DDoS clicked it for me. Oh yeah, DDoS clicked it. Perfect, 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 perfect. The 2 parts are deployed in the main part. What made that be in 2 parts? I wanted it to be, oh, the needs. This here. This makes it be two parts. Otherwise, they would be in parallel. Kevin, you just got 10k points. God damn it. I didn't need those points anyway. Yeah, fuck. Fireball Monkey, hello, hello. How you doing? Why are you? What? Okay, anyway, box opening. So I got a fancy Pokeball. For those of you that don't know, Chris was also here. Hello, hello. For those of you that don't know, my favorite Pokeball is the Dusk Ball. It just is. So I bought a. It is first party. It is officially licensed merchandise. It's kind of expensive. I think this was $100, but I hope it's cool. That is in this fancy box. I'm gonna sit down. My feetsies are are a little Did Kurt make it? Because if not, it's a fake. I think Dusk Balls are post Kurt era. Okay. You get the first bit open here. Then oh. Fancy top of the box. You have been standing basically all stream? Yeah, I need to fill up my water too. So I'm gonna do that after the unboxing part. Describe the smell of the box. It smells like polystyrene. Okay. Oh, actually, that smells like burning polystyrene. The box empty. Why do I know what burning polystyrene smells like? So, my dad's house, we built from scratch, kind of, and the outer shell of the house is what's called some company, but basically it's you basically build a giant Lego box out of styrofoam, and then you pour concrete through all of these styrofoam things. So it makes like a very energy efficient house, but also it's very easy to build because it's just a bunch of fucking styrofoam Lego blocks. But for some parts of it, we had to like cut out of the styrofoam to like run wires in the styrofoam part, and you use this like metal loopy thing that gets really hot, and you just go and you cut a chunk out of the styrofoam. And burning styrofoam has a very particular smell to it. It also burns like bright green. Anyway, there's no way that that's like a good thing to have sniffed, but anyway. Doesn't concrete produce a lot of heat when hardening out? Yeah, but not enough to like melt the styrofoam. Oh, okay. So this top part looks like just a little information card. Do not throw. Don't throw the Pokeball. Okay, got it. That's fucking hilarious. Do not throw. Okay. Make sure not to throw it. Styrofoam. Go over here. Crossed up. Okay, so it looks like the ball is here. Oh my god, it's heavy. Oh, it's very heavy. It's very heavy. Please remove before use. Throw it? Could you imagine? Does it open? How do I pull this out? Oh, I guess I just do that. Okay. There's the Pokeball. It's heavy. It's very heavy. Does it open? Oh. It lights up. I kind of expected it to open. Does it not? Maybe I'll have to read the manual. Hold on. There's also a display case, which I think is what this other part is here. Which... Don't trust the capitalist, just throw it, says 13 rage 13, yeah. Well, this is kind of. Oh, it's in case you forget what kind of thing you bought. It says dusk ball on it, and got a little shiny thing on the top. See, this feels not as nice. The box looks nice, but then this is just like cheap plastic in here. I don't know why they made everything else so nice, and then they're like, oh fuck it, we'll just skimp on this. Has batteries in it? I got another little pull tab thing out of the bottom. Oh, because it lights up, and I get. Wait, this also turned on by itself. Oh, I see. So you put it in here, and then can't see it, but it is lighting it from the bottom. There's supposed to be like a little other stand. I don't know where that is though. Okay. So where's the little? There's supposed to be a ring. You can just set it down on the ring, but I don't see that. Anyway, there's my ball. Does it open? Right. I feel like it should. Handle this product with care. This product is not a toy. Never throw this Pokeball. It's for display purposes only. Throwing this Pokeball will damage it and may injure someone. Kevin's heading out. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you as always. And I'll see you around. Blah, blah, blah. Batteries. I don't know if it opens. No, I'll look on the website. That's way up towel. The one Pokeball. Let's see if they show it open in any of these. It might not open. It might just be. It might just be. Yeah, I'm supposed to have this little ring. Where the fuck is the little ring? Yeah, see? Ring. Box contents. Display case. Steel. Hidden in the bottom of the display case. Oh, okay. Well, I gotta figure that part out then. I don't see any of them open, so my guess is it doesn't open. But still pretty cool. Anyway, I have a dusk ball now. And it hangs out in my background. I think I'm gonna get rid of the box, because I don't really like the box, but anyway, there you go. Pokeball. Ah, fuck, this is gonna be annoying to fix. I might switch it from being a workflow to being an action. Still kind of want it. Yeah, I think I have to make an action at the very least, because I can't reuse that Python file otherwise. Maybe it's inside of the ball. Apparently it's in the base. Apparently, oh, I think I need a screwdriver, and then it's in here. Anthon has no ball ring. It's true. I do not have a ball ring. Oh, I forgot to say hi to Marvin. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Let's see. I'm gonna fill up my water. I will be right back. What are you? Oh. That's the it deployed to dev, but failed. Okay, I'm gonna go get some water and then we'll try and fix this. I will see you in a sec. All right, we back. More ATS, it's time to go shopping night out. Well, thank you for stopping by. Appreciate you hanging out. We also got Poseidon. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Okay, how am I gonna fix this? We need to make an action. Annoying. Annoying. GitHub actions? Oh, we already have some. Okay. So I should have known. GitHub action maker action slash validate dot YAML. No, that's not how that works. What am I doing? Make this and then we edit the file, but we're just gonna copy one of the other ones. Actions lambda deploy. We'll copy that one. And get actions. Validate. Automate. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I don't know how to say your name. I'm sorry. That was my guess at it. But I feel like I was not right. Oh my god. A lot going on here. I will actually want to do this. Because I will want to know what pull request is. Because we will want to comment on it later. But we're going to skip that for now. Validates. And then we do need a secret somehow in here, right? Ah, we take it as an input. Okay. Validate GitHub token. Required true. Deposit. Validate dev. Do you work? Oh, we also need to say whether it is light. And then spit. Gene Martins, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Except this chunk in front of it. Yeah, and then this needs to be inputs.validate GitHub token. Then this needs to be uses pre-commit.ci slash scripts slash actions validate at main. With validate GitHub token as secrets.validate GitHub token. And then light as inputs.light. I kind of want those in alphabets. G-Mind says, hey, how are you going? Oh, you're from Australia. I'm doing well. Am I correct? Because how are you going is a very... Oh, you're from Brazil. Oh, damn it. How are you going is like a very Australian thing to say. I have not heard that from anyone else, but I guess now I have heard it from someone from Brazil. So I have guessed incorrectly. But welcome, welcome. I think that'll work. Oh, I was very confused. I was like, I just changed all this. Why is there no Git status? Because I'm in the wrong repo. so what do we change here? We made a composite action. And we changed the code to use it. Yeah. Oh, I did the thing where if you type Control S, it fucks your terminal. I don't global get ignore env. No, I like to live on the edge. I actually don't have a global get ignore because I can never remember how to set it up, and I just haven't bothered. And I just don't use get add dot. I just get out the shoe. Now there needs to be an action. Convert validate to an action. Yeah, the thing is, some of the services don't care about this validate. So I should just say it out loud. I was thinking about whether I just include this action in the deploy dev step, but it doesn't make sense to do that because, like, the emails service doesn't need to check whether pre-commit.ci works because it has nothing to do with it. Firstly, learned that I keep my get config in ~config get config and override just name an email on my work laptop from ~get-config. Oh, I didn't know that Git had XDG support. Git XDG config. I didn't know you could put it in there. Or do you have like some special setting for it? I don't see config in here. Oh, XDG config home. Oh, neat. If both files exist, files are read in the order given above. I didn't know that. That's kind of cool. I think I'm going to move my get config into here, because I don't really like files in my home directory. That's cool. That's very cool. I didn't know that was a thing. Works for ignore too. How does the ignore thing work? Because I feel like you need a setting for that. This core.excludes files thing? I think it's this. Oh. Uh-huh. Interesting. Well, if it's that simple, then fuck it. So, like, if I config, then make the config get ignore, and I put .env here. Okay. Okay. That's not bad. It's not bad. Minnie Jenkins says, hey, they can ask questions about Python. Well, you've already asked one. Lynch is here. How you doing? Good to see you again. Tired of accidentally committing with my personal email at work? Nice. Yeah, this is kind of nice. I'm gonna slap it in here. Use config get config, and config gets ignore. Maybe we'll do that. Oh, I didn't mean to close that. Neat. That's easier than I thought it was. I thought it was way more fucking work. Okay, convert validate to an action. Made the action. Updated it here. Oh, we need a reason to change the other one, don't we? Damn. Damn. Mini Dragus hasn't asked their question yet. Oh no! You'll just have to sit in suspense. Ah, it is my move in chess. I'll have to play my move later. Are you stuck? No. GitHub? GitHub, are you stuck? GitHub having a day. Press fucking X to doubt. Dude, it's done. You're tripping, GitHub. The fuck? What the fuck? King E2? I don't know if that's a legal move right now. I think my king's in the corner, so I don't think I can king E2. Yeah, I don't have king E2 as an option. Sorry if I triggered you with the chess.com sounds. I can't king E2. I could king H1, which I think would maybe be just as useless, but I think I'm winning this game. Unless I do something real dumb. Actually, directly in a for loop, the key values in each iteration. Dictionary is modifying the path is wrong. Accessing a dictionary in a for loop. Oh, you're mutating the dictionary while iterating over it? Yeah, you don't want to do that. You generally don't want to do that. You could copy the whole dictionary, or you could take a snapshot of its keys or snapshot of its items. Dude, what the fuck, GitHub? I can trigger another run, but I shouldn't need to do that. GitHub should just get their shit together. This is such a subtle feature that I'm so happy that I added. I wish every other thing did. Like when you make a bot command, it reacts to it so that you know that it actually did something. Because sometimes you're like, did it work? And you try it like 10 times and then you run 10 runs or something. Very strange. All our bots at work do this, also depend bot. Oh, that's cool. You have to use the command quite a bit? Really? It's not supposed to. Autofix I could see, like if you have 2 rounds of doing it, but this command shouldn't be necessary, but GitHub drops the API request on the floor a lot of the time. Which there's nothing I can do about that, sadly. I mean, I guess I could retry until it knows that that succeeded, but You've added me on chess.com, okay. Your rating. Oh, you're 1200? Okay. I only play daily games, so and puzzles. Oh, I'm way better at you than in puzzles. Fine, I'll accept your friend request, Sarab. It works, but it looks ugly. Yeah, copying a whole dictionary is not so great. Sometimes it runs, submits a commit, and then I have to do autofix again. Ah, yeah. Yeah, sometimes if you reorder your fixers, It'll make it better. Okay, so we're gonna do a bet. This one's gonna be. I wanted to make the bet. Did I break this? Because we know one of the things still works, probably. We'll make it positive though. Is the manual validate still working? Yes. No. Yeah, we'll let you bet on that one. Lee Chess better than chess.com? Yeah, I mean, you're probably right. I'm only on chess.com because my friend who plays chess is on chess.com. Yeah, that's literally it. my one chess playing friend. And I mean we get dinner like once a week or once every couple of weeks. But we also keep up every day by playing daily games. A good boy. This is a pupperoo. Boo 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 boo. Oh, that's a cute puppy. Oh, except he shit on the floor. Well, such is life. Such is life. Never bet against Anthony. You say with your doubting bet there. Okay, we got a lot of people that bet this. Oh my god. JJMC put 50k on yes. Wow. Okay, well, that's some confidence there. Okay. Let's see if it pays off. JJMC not betting huge amounts challenge. Yeah. Okay. Run the workflow. All right. It has started at least. Oh no. Holy shit. How did I fuck this up? Oh, fucking composite actions. Damn it. I'm so sorry, JJMC. I hope you didn't go all in. Fucking A. Oh, so stupid. So fucking stupid. I'll just let DDoS resolve it. It's so dumb. This is my least favorite part about composite actions. They make you set shell because they're like, oh, well, maybe it'll run on Windows someday. No, just give me the fucking default. I don't give a shit. Let me fuck up on Windows when I need to fuck up on Windows. Just use the default shell. I don't give a damn. But no, we can't have nice things. So you gotta do shit like this. You gotta put fucking, oh, you gotta put shell here. Shell bash. Ugh. Stupid ass thing. Yeah, and I could probably use a pre-commit hook that validates the schema of these, and then I wouldn't make this problem, but yeah. GitHub Actions also did this really fucking annoying thing where all of the like language setup jobs now require an explicit language version, which before it just defaulted to latest, which is what I want when I don't care. But now you gotta be like, oh, I gotta explicitly put 3.11 in here, and then some fucker in 6 months is gonna come along and change it to 3.12. I'm gonna have to be like, no, I don't give a shit. Don't change this. So fucking pathetic. Bro, I feel you. They made you do some weird distribution for Java. Wasn't a thing in V1 of the action that they decided to edit. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. Live Guiding says, I think for pipeline stuff that you're not sure will work. That should be, can I get it working in 3 times or less? My average is about 10. Well, usually I get it working first try. This stream has been a little unlucky. Or I've, been a little more shooty from the hippie. All right, we'll do one more prediction. Not prediction. Is the manual valid date fixed? Java Action also has a build option? But why? That's like how, I don't know if it still has it. Maybe it's only for Docker. Also, I have set up a separate virtual machine just for Docker because I was trying to set up Minikube. I was down such a fucking rabbit hole on Friday. This is why I wanted to stream it, because like I knew it was going to be fuckery. I set up Minikube because I needed to validate how the Kubernetes API worked so that I could try out the Kubernetes API so that I can write a script for our deployments for work. And so I went to set up Minikube and it's like, oh, it supports Podman. I'm like, sick, I have Podman. Let's fucking go. This should be easy. And then I run the setup and it's like, please install Podman rootful or set rootless. And I was like, okay, well, I don't want rootful Podman. So I'll just set rootless. Thank you, Jagus. Thank you for the sub with Prime. Appreciate it. Welcome to Subto. And so I set rootless and then I was like, Minikube start. And it chugs for about 5 minutes and then it's like, error, starting container. Container does not exist. And I'm like, well, then fucking create it. Why is this my problem? And then I googled the fucking error message. And sure as shit, Podman is not supported. Despite it auto-detecting Podman and then trying its best to do it. And it's like, ugh, fucking A. So I set up a VM literally so I could run Docker with my bad password. It's 11k points against 10 babbies. Who bet no? Tom put 10 babbies on no. It would get 11k babbies with a 10-point bet. That is quite the return. Hello? Why did it say terminal is ready? But for a while, Docker build had a push option on it. I don't know if it still does. Okay, I think it's gone now. But it was just like, let's make one command do many things that it shouldn't do. All right. And betting the odds, I don't blame you, man. 10 points, 1.1k to 1 point differential. I'd bet that too. In fact, I've done that before. I think I bet 100 points in a channel point bet and I got like 500,000 or something absurd. Where's the damn thing? Not that one, this one. Mersh. Wilfred says, is it just me or is auto release actions poorly documented and super annoying? Having to create an artifact, download the artifact, create the release, and then upload the asset to the release? Yeah, it's like weird 4-step stuff for not very good reasons. But once you do it once, it's not so bad. Podman desktops get better because it does seem like there's no smooth experience for doing containers. They're getting better, but I still run into weird stuff. Yeah, containers I feel like will always be bad forever. Or at least somewhat clunky to use. What do we got from Kimbiko? Yeah, it's fair. Fair. I have a YouTube video about type hinting. I have lots of videos about type hinting. This is the first one where I kind of introduce it. Second video there. Look at examples. I say desktop because you generally want a low effort, low understanding of gut solution. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it should just set up and work, right? Doesn't make sense a bit more if you're the only one against. Yeah, it's true. Hey, what's up, Plasma Orbs? Hello, hello. Opened unscreen, unseen. Yeah, well, I opened up a torture chair earlier today. Just straight up on screen, so I'm being careful. I'm being a little more careful. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if you get a shit ton of points, Tom. I have a feeling it should work. Surely. Yeah, it started the scripty part, so pretty sure it's gonna succeed. So we can see up here. Uh um 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 well then. So it wasn't supposed to do this. So I think Tom just made the best bet ever. Because for some reason it's running the light version of this. I don't know why. Because I didn't check the box. So yeah, GG on your points, Tom. Why am I getting bonked? I only bet against Anthony twice if he's not sober. Listen, this one makes no fucking sense to me. I would have lost this bet. Let's see what happened here. Light false. Does it check against the empty string? Not that one. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, that's so stupid. That's so stupid. Oh my god. Fucking hate GitHub Actions. I should have remembered this too. So GitHub Actions is stringly typed, despite having a full type system. So workflow inputs have types. They can be strings, they can be booleans, they can be numbers. But actions inputs are all strings. And so even though it was a boolean false, we passed the input along to this as a boolean false. This became a string. And then this gets evaluated with JavaScript. So we have JavaScript here, and we have the string false. It's going to be treated as true. Fucking A. Fucking A. Oh, I didn't resolve the... It is not fixed. So, complete prediction. Any sores that worse than drunk? I'm just tired. Did I go climbing today? No, I shoveled. I shoveled for like 2 hours. And I shoveled for like 2 hours last night. Ah, fucking A. That's so dumb. And I don't want to write something stupid like inputs.light equals true. That looks dumb also. I could do from Jason. That would probably work. When you said Boolean, I was thinking to myself internally, I thought there was some stupid thing with types for actions, but oh well. Yeah. JavaScript moment? Yeah. Well, it's fucking YAML strings bullshit. Computer says, unpopular opinion, if you require more than 10 lines of code of config, or that just write in a real, preferably statically typed programming language, then write the 11th line of YAML. Screw you, cloud technology. That's actually what's happening here. So the actual smarts of this are in a script, which is typed. I could have written this all in fucking YAML. The problem is I need to feed the data to it. Apparently, feeding the data to it is non-trivial. Alright, we get to do this game again. Actions, stringly typed. Actions inputs are stringly typed. Lol. Fuck. 5-shot, hello. Good to see you. How's it going? Well, we've relearned a few dumb things about GitHub Actions that I already knew, but conveniently forgot. You got the job, congrats! That's awesome. Another says, I have a similar issue with environment variables at work where there's os.environment squacket thing equals false. Oh. Rerun the prediction? Yes, indeed. Indeed. Is the manual validate fixed? Right prediction. Alright, gamble away. Kimiko says, I've literally started yelling at the clouds. I'm gonna go to bed. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. I'm sorry that streams don't align with your time zone all that well. I wish they were better. I wish time zones weren't so fucky. You could just all at the same time be in the same times. But I also understand that that's impractical. Okay, we've got a lot of points on yes. Got a few points on no. 20-1. Calzoon has put the most on yes. And it'll be an interesting one. The number of people is about split, though. Oh my god, JJMC. JJMC putting 50k on yes. Hopefully I don't let you down twice. Why that specific number, JJMC? Why 5168? Belnatha says, I trust you, Anthonk, and predicted no. Nope, you got in. You got in live coding. If the Earth was flat, would we all be in the same time zone? Implying that the Earth is not flat? Gosh, don't you know that the Earth is flat? Wow, do we have one of those round earthers in our chat? Damn, we got a round earther here, chat. We had a channel at Lyft. We had a channel in Lyft in Work Slack where we all RP'd that the Earth was flat. That was the what's the name of the channel? I don't remember. But it was basically what it was is like shitposting of us all pretending that conspiracy theories are true. Because it was funny. I don't remember what it was called though. But anyway. Alright, let's see. Let's see if it's still fucked. Okay, so we're not checking the box. The outcome depends on YAML, which makes this gamble a Russian roulette. Yeah. You're a T-Rex Earther, a Taurus Earther. Oh, Drowning Buffalo, that's a cool one. I actually really like toroids. I think it's I have 200k left. Oh. Oh, and your previous one was to make 250k left? Makes sense. I'm getting says it's a dangerous because I started saying howdy as a joke greeting, and now I say howdy all the time. Yeah. I have definitely fallen victim to the same thing where I start saying something ironically and then can't stop. Okay. So that worked. So let's try it with the light thing checked. And that should make a pull request here. It does. Cool. Now we gotta wait for it to succeed. I wonder what this little string is on the end. I think I just use secrets URL safe. That would be how I would do it if I were me, so I probably did it that way. Yep, sure as shit. Token URL safe. Good job, past me. Wolfred says, I don't even know what you're doing. I'm just happy to see you. So it is what it is. I'm trying to make it so that when I deploy, it automatically runs this thing that I currently run manually. At least I don't click through the UI anymore. Man, those are the real days. And then we're gonna poke around with ECR. Time permitting. What the fuck? I turned off notifications. Why am I still getting notified? Oh, because I bet I watch it too. No, there's 0 watchers. Oh, there is a difference between ignoring. Do you automatically watch your own shit? Is that how this works? So we're gonna change you to ignore also. CBK says, what can you say about Python in practice with large-scale web systems? That's an extremely broad question. What do you specifically want to know? What sort of thing? Why didn't you name this account ASO12? I don't get it. I don't get it, Pandoxer. Plus 38. Hello. How you doing? Okay. Did we succeed? We succeeded on this one. What about the light one? What about, that's not the light one. This is the light one. We open and close the PR. What about the workflow? All right, looks like we're good. Oh, ASO Thule. That's a stretch. I don't know if I would have ever come up with that. I don't know why I laughed at that, but I did. Yeah, I don't know why you left it either. Okay, manual validate is fixed. Now we're gonna do another prediction for the automatic validate. Adelax, hello, welcome. How you doing? Yeah, I should have just called it Assotilly. Yeah, that should have been my bum account. The problem is I would get pinged on it all the time because people do this all the time. Yeah. But Astilly 2 worked fine. I start helping with oh yeah, I can. Is this the right link? How do I get started in open source? Yeah, check that one out. That is my recommendation on the topic. Did the new prediction start? I can't tell. Did I do it or not? I can't. It only is showing me the previous one. I guess if I do / prediction, it'll tell me. I can't remember whether I did this or not. I think I didn't open. No new prediction? Okay. Does the automatic validate work? Yes and no. And we will start that prediction. I wrote a Redis benchmark in Roost and it was slower than Python. I think I fucked up somewhere. CBK says, why can't I post a message? Probably because you're using one of the banned words. I'm probably using one of the things that I don't fucking want to talk about. Smile. Oh, we got a good split of points so far. Strange sorcerers leading our yeses. And Kexits leading our no's. I also don't know how I'm going to run this. I think I have to actually make a change. Balls. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Alright, so we gotta find something to update in web. Panox says, hey Anthon, how do I specifically tell Git that I want to add a file, but not to add it right away? I don't know, some flag to communicate my intent of sorts. Do you have a video on it? That's funny, that's funny. In base 64 encode your message and put it in chat? No, you can't. Don't do that. No, don't do that. We're being... Do you see the little cap on the end? Stay strong, chat. Whenever things are looking good, you have to believe in yourself and in failure. Yeah. Bogglehead, closing tabs. Yeah. S1 Cube, hello, hello. How you doing? You missed the poll. I guess I'll vote yes in the next one after this one fails. Damn. Fucking roasted. I guess I can bump dependencies, although I think everything's probably up to date. I did this recently. How is it still there? Is what still there? Did anyone decode it? Yeah, they were probably talking about the banned word. Or the other banned word. Oh, we did upgrade some stuff. What did we upgrade? PyTest. Oh yes, PyTest. That seems sus. That seems suspicioso. Yeah, that's not right. It's the wrong Python version. I meant when you switch from Python to another language for a scalable web system. I mean, Python's fine. Gets the job done. Upgrade requirements is like pip install upgrade? No. I wrote this thing called requirements tools, where you have these 4 files. You have requirements minimal, requirements dev minimal. These are like your top level dependencies. Like in this case, these are the things that get imported. And then requirements tools will generate these 2 files from that. It's basically a lock file with .text. But I ran with the wrong version of Python, so it removed some dependencies. I shouldn't have done that. I thought you should ban Rust so everyone is forced to say Roost. No. Dalnada says, hey Anthony, have you ever heard about the Pokemon Acetylion? I have not. How do you evolve Eevee into that? Oh, fuck. Not what I want. This is concern. I don't think it matters, but it might. Upgrade requirements. So we're gonna actually look at that one manually. That changes how stuff renders. But this will allow us to get a deploy out. What's the difference in pip tools? I didn't know pip tools existed. Pip tools tries to keep your versions the same as well, whereas this is just like fuck it, upgrade everything. But when I wrote it, I didn't know about pip tools. Bum 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 bum. Oh, I bet Sibuke said this. I bet that's why their message got banned. Because you can't say this. These words, these 3 words in order are not allowed. You have the word robust banned. That's fucking funny. That's good. Alright, did I do the prediction? Okay, yeah, there's people with points in chat. Okay. You should muse. Mm-hmm. Like a supermassive black hole. Again, I think of how the actual song sounds. Can't think of this. Anyway. And then when you approach a new project, do you check if it already exists in some form, or you just go ahead and make it like you want it? I mean, I tried to find pip tools, but I didn't when I made requirements tools. Nowadays, I will look for other things that exist already, but it's pretty rare that the idea that I have is something that already exists. And actually works. So I don't know. Most of the time I'll just make it. Also, if it's less effort for me to make it rather than tracking someone else's changelog and dependencies and other shit, then I'll just make it. Like, I'm sure there's a GitHub action that does almost exactly what I'm doing here with like Lambda deployments, but I'd rather just check it myself for you. It's literally the thing that I already had open. Okay, it's running though. It's running the validate step. Yo, let's fucking go, baby. Let's go. Let's fucking go, baby. Look at this shit. It fucking worked. RIP your points, League. Does that come? Yes. Sick. Sick. Wolford's going to lurk. Sounds good. Go get your food. Rumors say if you give Evie some banana/pumpkin bread, it'll evolve an Acetylion. Oh, I have so many bananas in my freezer right now. I really just need to suck it up and set up my kitchen streaming setup and then make some fucking banana bread. Oh, because banana bread sounds so good. But also I keep gaining weight instead of losing weight. It's so hard to exercise a lot when it's cold outside. I realize most of my like calorie expenditure when it's warm out is biking and running, and I'm not gonna bike in the snow, and I'm not gonna run unless the sidewalks are clear. And running in cold kind of sucks too. So I just get fat. That's what happens. And I guess searching for tools, find one, makes the shoes. What's bad about it makes his own. I mean, sometimes. I'm also like kind of done reporting issues on stuff because unless I actually need it, I don't care. I don't care if they're Stay strong, chat. Probably would have been a good time to set up last night when you were bored and decided to play psyops with your neighbors. Listen, I didn't try and manipulate them into unnecessarily shoveling their sidewalk. They did that themselves. You have done that yourself. Yeah, I didn't do that. That's on them. Okay, these still look fine, so I'll say that's good enough. All right, and then we can do deploy prod, please please. But I still want to make it I still want to make it green. What the fuck am I saying? Oh, I still want to make it comment on the PR. Should make it comment twice? Yeah, it's fine. It'll be a little bit annoying, but I can always make it better later. I can always make it edit the existing comment. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do. Sweet. Okay, let's add this to all the repos that it matters in. And then yeah. Add a bicycle to your setup and make a tool which forces you to drive for 15 minutes every hour, otherwise your editor freezes. I don't think that'll work. I do kind of compromise and I will play Pokemon while on my exercise bike. But I am not great about doing that either. What else? Tabs complete here. Oh, complete. No, yeah, that makes sense. Well, that makes sense. Alright, get rid of Acetylly here. You know what I find is strange, chat? Is I've had this software center on my stream for a couple weeks now, and we've never seen a shiny Pokemon on stream yet. But the expected value is right around 15 hours. And I've definitely streamed with it up for a lot more than 15 hours. I've just been slightly unlucky, I guess. But anyway, food for thought. Okay, so all repos find files deploy dev.yaml. Okay, so this one we don't want. These two it doesn't matter for. This one it doesn't matter for. These two, yes. This one, oh. Did I literally do this just for 3 repos? Nothing else is in the critical path. Huh. Yeah, I guess I did all this for 3 repos. That's funny. We're just gonna do it manually then. Make a prediction every stream if we see a shiny. The problem is if we make a prediction, we can't make other predictions. You can't have concurrent predictions. So there's not really a good way to do like a full stream prediction unless you don't want to do any other predictions, which doesn't feel like good to me. That was weird. Something hit my window. Trigger validation, auto trigger validation after deploy dev. That's what the git hooks are for. What are you? Oh. We gotta do that for light worker and light web as well. Light web and light worker. But those ones, I need to set light to true. Not what I wanted. How do this? I think it's width. See what it is if it's consistent. With light true. Gosh, Mile, hello, hello. Welcome back. It's been quite a while. It's good to see you again. Choco Jax is also here. Hi, Choco. How you doing? Yeah, that looks good. I good. I awake. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Woke up early to shovel my driveway, and I am tired. It was a lot. It was a lot. It was a lot to shovel. It was very heavy, and shovel those 3 inches. Well, I shoveled like 3 inches last night, so I had to shovel the additional 6 to 8 today. Ashed fine. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Light worker. I'm a YAML engineer. Kashmir says, started a new assignment recently, and I have not had the energy of spending time between computer after work. But now I'm back. Nice. Yeah, I get that. I understand that. For me, computer is not necessarily draining. Sometimes it's draining. But I usually have enough thing computer after computering. Cool follow bump. Yeah, I made it myself. It's based on the output of pre-commit. But yeah, you're your own little git commit when a follow happens. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so I'm not sure that the light one's going to work. I'm pretty sure it'll work, but I'm also not super sure. Do we want to gamble on it? We could gamble on it. Sure, we'll gamble on the light one. Does the automatic validate work for light? Yeah, there we go. All right, get one more gamble in. Well, assuming that it's successful. If it fails, then well, people betting small points on this one. And like I says, pre-commit output is so satisfying after you conclude a chunky PR. Yeah, yeah. And you just get all those greens right in a row. Wow, a lot of tiny bets for yes. What is going on? Little teeny tiny yes bets. Oh, we got a no bet. Where's live coding? Oh yeah, it's live coding. Live coding with 3K on no. Alright, if you want to steal live coding's points, you can bet yes. Oh my god, JJMC. Unless I let you down again. Double or nothing? Yeah, there's a lot of points on yes. Alright. Light web. Let's see what happens here. Easy Bugattis. if you're right somehow, live coding. I'd be very surprised if you're right. But I don't know. We had one of those reversals earlier today. We had one of those where I was so certain it would work, and then it didn't. Okay, so let's gotta run the test first. Then after the tests, it'll run the dev deploy part, and then it'll do the validate part, in theory. We have to make sure it validates the right thing and not the wrong thing. Anyone working with pre-exec function in Zish having a hard time canceling the command? Turning one in pre-exec does not seem to work. I don't know that pre-exec is cancelable. Are you doing exit one or return one? Because that changes things. You probably don't want exit one. Now think about it, because it's a shell function. So it's running in your shell. Okay, it made the PR, so that probably means it's going to succeed, which is good. That red X is intentional. It's specifically checking to make sure that this thing happens. Pushed! Do you like this definitely not hard-coded status page? Best part is if you do this, you just get a blank page. That's funny. Alright, get your shit together, GitHub Actions. We didn't see the URL? Oh. Oh, I can't open it. pre-commit.ci/lights. I'll just click on it from here. Yeah, so the URL for this is pre-commit.ci/light_status octotherp status done. So you can also do status error? No, is it status fail? Failed? Push failed? One of these is in here. Yeah, there we go. pre-commit.ci light was unable to push to the branch. Branch missing? Question mark? Okay, so it's green. You lose points again, live coding. I'm redeeming myself. Does the automatic validate work for light? Yes, complete prediction. Oh yeah. Easy points, Chago. GMC. Got a ton of points on that one. Easy peasy. Thank you. Okay, yeah. Alright, sweet. So then I can deploy prod, please. Kexit says shrug? Did you lose points, Kexit? Oh, you didn't bet? Oh, okay. Then you're fine. Then you're fine. Where's the other one? Why? Oh, you're the window that goes up here. Where's the other window? I must have closed it on accident. I'm losing points, but staying true to who I am. So in life, I'm winning. It sounds like some copium there, live coding. I'm in the chat. Points of personal integrity. Okay, all right. You do you. Split to prod. Split to dev. Yeah, so I gotta add that comment part because otherwise I'm gonna be like, oh, it's deployed to dev. It's good to go. But no, I gotta wait for this. Not gonna lie, don't think that's a thing. Kexit says I always bet for failure because if it fails, I'm happy. If it doesn't, I'm happy too. That is a good point. You're betting on failure for personal gain, but if it's successful, you're also happy that it succeeded. Oh, that's so nice. Okay. Oh, this is the one. Deploy prod, please. Sorry, I'm yawning. I'm a little sleepy. Nika, hello, welcome, welcome. Yeah, the Pokemon I'm trying to get right now is actually pretty cool. It's Galarian Lanoon, which has such a sick shiny. Look at how cool that looks. The Zigzagoon also looks cool too. Yeah, and Obstagoon also. Kind of a creepy Pokemon, but the shiny's cool. Wait, did it get past the one that loops? Or are we not there yet? Oh, we're not there yet. I thought YouTube might have fixed their bug again, but we haven't gotten to that point yet. Oh, wait, where is it? I have fixed the playlist. I don't see the doubled entry anymore. I don't remember which song it was. Oh no, we're just further in the playlist. Yep. Why are you resetting? Because normally the Pokemon that's encountered is this color. But in this case, 1 in 1365.3 or something like that. It's this color instead. Actually, what is it? 1 minus 49.5 over 49.6 to the, I think it's 5 rolls? No, 4 rolls? But I want the real, not the, no, that's 1024. Nika, thank you for the resub at 2 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. What's the math for this? How do the rerolls work? I thought it was this. That doesn't math right. Oh, it's 3 rolls. Okay, yeah, now it maths right. Yeah. It's 1365.666. Might be off by a little bit. But yeah, I collect shiny Pokemon. So that's why it's doing that. Aussie, how you doing? Says today's March 4. Tomorrow is March 5. Trying to date my videos? I don't give a shit. I put the fucking date in the title. Why hasn't this deployed to prod? Hello? Hello? Oh, it's trying. Oh. This is I typed into the wrong box. Oops. This is the one that I wanted to deploy prod. Wait. Now I'm confused. Trying to get all 3 of these to go to prod. You have not gone to prod. Did you validate successfully? You did. Sweet. You can go to prod. Okay, that one has already gone to prod. Sick. This one is on its way. Nice. Cool. Very cool. Deploy prod, please. Yeah. Okay, so we got 2 options for what we're gonna do right now. Either I get it to comment about the validation succeeding, or we try and figure out some stuff about ECR, figure out what it's gonna cost. I have to approach it. What do you want to do, chat? Your choice. What prediction? Oh, not prediction. No, we'll do poll. That's what it's called. Poll. What? What do? What do? Comment on validation success. It doesn't let me make it long, so it's just gonna say suck. I feel like chat's gonna bet for suck because it says suck. Your cost sounds dull but necessary. Choosing ECR or shoveling snow. Choose ECR or shovel snow. What? Well, I mean, the cost would just be the first part of it. Then we figure out the APIs and okay, cool. You have finished, as have you. Just knocked on my door. What does ECR stand for? Elastic Container Registry. Despite it not being a container registry, it's an image registry. We're being pedantic. Which we are. Okay. What does our poll look like? Oh, it's actually pretty split. I'm surprised. Are you gonna 50-50 it? Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, it's not 50. All right, cool. All right, we're gonna do ECR stuff. Before we do that, I'm gonna fill up my water and see who's knocking at my door. So I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. It was the Amazon ferry, but nothing really interesting, so just junk for my kitchen. I bought some more pans because I didn't have enough pans. Well, I had enough pans, but I wanted more pans. It felt like no one cares. I'm not gonna talk. No one cares about your pans, Anthony. Shut the fuck up. Okay. ECR. Amazon ECR. He said, such a great idea. I want to try it for PS5, but DualSense can be much harder to emulate properly. Like the controller? I'm actually not emulating anything. This is well, I'm pretending to be a controller, but it's a real piece of hardware. But yeah, okay, ECR. So 500 megabytes of private storage. I actually don't care about it being private. So let's see if it's cheaper to be public. Free tier, blah blah blah. 50 gigs, always free storage for public repos. I will have to make a pruner. How big is the image? This is gonna take forever. Take up a whole bunch of disks, but Nikita says, my dumb non-native ears heard I bought some pants and I don't have enough pants, which is something I hope you're not experiencing. Well, I have actually done that. These are from Amazon. And I didn't have enough of them, so I purchased some more. Dante Gia says you can use S3 as storage for Docker registry image. Yeah, but then I'd have to run one. I have to run a Docker registry. I don't want to run a Docker registry unless you can just pull directly from S3. But I'm actually not using Podman pull from S3. Is that a thing? There's a build a S3 plugin. It's true. This is specifically for Builder, though. Oh, this is literally just a shell script. What is the license on this before I actually read it? Because if it's like GPL or some shit, then fuck that noise. MIT, cool. How does it import the layers is the tricky part. Pull the tar, blah, blah, blah. Impossible to pull. Build a pull OCI archive colon. Oh. Mm. Kind of a cool idea. What would S3 storage cost? I don't even know if it would work, first off. Like I would need to figure out how to push. What does the push do? Does it just export the tars and then slam them into there? Where's the yeah, it just makes a single archive, which I don't want. I do actually want layers. I do actually want a layer file system. But the thing is, this is see, realistically, how many images would I need? I can get away with like one. But I probably would have like two-ish. MIT based, yeah. Requesting a Umish license, yeah, imagine. Imagine. I mean, PSD is Berkeley, so S3 will be much slower. Well, ECR is backed by S3 from what my Amazon friends have told me. So it should be the same. Should be the same speed. In theory. But I think we're just gonna use ECR because it's probably gonna be easier. And half a terabyte of bandwidth for free? Wait, what am I gonna actually pay for? 50 gigs for public repos. Half a terabyte of bandwidth? For free? This just sounds like it's gonna be free. And I can do 5 terabytes if I authenticate. Unlimited bandwidth to compute. Yeah, this just sounds like it's gonna be free. Okay. Well, that makes this decision easy. Honest says Python too hard for me. Stuck on my code one more time. If you ask your question, you might be able to help you. GHCR, yeah, that's what I'm using right now. The problem is GitHub packages goes down like once a week, and when GitHub packages is down, pre-commit.ci can't scale up. It falls back to Docker Hub. But usually when GitHub Actions, when GitHub's container registry is down, Docker Hub is also down. Data transfer out costs something, but not until you're rich enough to retire to the moon? I thought it said it was free. For the first 500 gigs, yeah. Which, there's no fucking way that it's gonna do half a terabyte of bandwidth per month. Yeah. It also doesn't tell me. It also doesn't tell me what it is after this. I'm gonna assume it's at this rate. Data transferred out from public repos is limited by source IP when an alias account is not used. What the fuck does that mean? Does it just cut you off per IP? That'd be my guess. Which is great, because I don't think I'm going to use it at all. Code that works well, but every time I launch the macro, it launches it twice. Sounds like it's not working well then. It either does or it doesn't. You can't have both. Alright, let's see what ECR Terraform is. Name, image tag mutability. Oh, that's so nice. You can make things immutable. That's cool. How do you say whether it's public or private? Or is that some other resource? It's probably one of these other ones. Registry policy, probably. Repository policy is probably repository. Oh my god, what the fuck? That seems more complicated. I was expecting just a boolean. Tip tip, hello hello, how you doing? Good to see you again. Miss Stat's also here. How you doing? Let's find examples of this on SourceGraph. I wish Python had ADTs and refinement types. I don't remember what either of those are. Wait, in theory, if you get 50 gigs of storage and a half a terabyte of bandwidth, couldn't you just use ECR instead of S3? Just package all of your blobs into Docker images? Feels like cheating. Probably fraud. Hmm. We're just gonna keep looking at these until I find one that looks good. Algebraic data types? Okay, fair. Types endowed with a predicate? Damn, those types are endowed. How is this? Outputs, outputs, outputs. What? This is not the bouquet. This looks like a test. Yeah, that's the same test as we saw in the other one. How do I see a public ADS ECR public Terraform? Surely someone has written a shitty blog post, right? Username says books or videos to learn coding. I actually think you should do neither. Actually, two, so we can read this. Public repository. Oh, there's automatic lifecycle rules. I use those. No, I think I'm gonna write my own thing that prunes these. What do you mean? Build shit. Watching videos, you're not gonna get better. You're not gonna get better because programming is an applied skill. And unless you're doing, you're not really gonna learn or retain. You're not gonna get experience. And you're not gonna be motivated to work on stuff either. Yeah, if I repository type. Which I thought would have just been in here. Maybe it is, I'm just not finding it. Why would they reassign this? Create pub. That is wild. This is instead of writing an if statement. There must be more code somewhere. This seems not helpful. Why is it not just a fucking boolean? Any website to practice coding? Build, yeah. Do a pen exercise. Build something that you want to see. Let's give me a cringy Medium article. Blah 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 blah. Life cycle policy. Don't care. This is fucking useless. Your blog post. Go away. Oh, we have a registry and a repository? So I'm probably looking for a repository. Maybe the repository will tell me the right thing. I'm looking at the wrong resource type. A repository is part of a registry? Registry ID. No? Should I just create it in the console and then export it? That might be easier. Because I feel like it's not obvious to me from Terraform code what I'm supposed to do. This is the opposite of what I'm trying to do. So maybe, okay. So I think it's supposed to be in the policy document, is what I'm figuring out here. So I need to grant specific things to write? Deploy prod, please, yeah. Can't bring myself to want to build anything, but I feel like I should. Well, you can always build something simple, small, or something that annoys you. User scripts are a good place to start. Like, when I go to discord.gg, well, I've already set it up, but if I'm logged in here, it'll take you to discord.com with just a blank page. I never want to land on that page. I always want to actually go to Discord. So I made a little thing that clicks the button when it gets there. Also, I hope that QR code doesn't let you log in as me. I didn't think about that. Surely they thought of that, right? Surely you're not going to be able to log in as me? Didn't think about that. Oh well. It's the opposite? Okay. Well, then we're probably fine. Probably fine, right? Sure. QR code only lets me log into your browser as me. Okay. Oh, yeah, that would be funny. That'd be wild. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't know. I wasn't thinking. Ignore me. Okay. Alright, I guess we'll just fucking start making these and see what happens. Anthony to get ignored, yeah. It's the wrong place. I guess we could play around with my personal account and see what it does there. Do I have what? Do I have Amazon set up here? We have SES, so it must. What is that thing called? Provider? Where's the provider? Is that in main? Yeah, there it is. There it is. Thanks for the suggestion that gave me the energy to get up for another beer. Nice. Nice. Perfect motivation. Yes, ECR repository. Actual, hello. Welcome, welcome. Name this. Optional, optional, optional. Name is required. Everything else is optional. Name equals jump shot 2. Let's just try that. The Dev Panda. Oh my goodness, it has been a year. Holy shit. Good to see you again. Thank you for your continued support, and welcome back, and congrats on your fancy new badge. So you have one policy which can have multiple statements? Yeah. alias IAM policy document. Dude, I'm gonna poke around in the console because I don't know what's going on. I'll just use my personal account. I'm suddenly hungry, chat. Oh, that's the password. Okay, let's fucking rotate that real quick. It's two-factored, so it's fine. Why did it copy the password, not the username? God damn it. Fucking A. Give me a sec. I haven't leaked in a while. That's a surprising one. But it doesn't matter. That's what two factors for. At least it wasn't like an AES key. I'm very tired today. Yeah. Tired today. Okay. Gotta change this. Not there. Potentials, maybe? Where the fuck do you change the password? Settings? I use one password? No, I use Bitwarden. Nope, it's not here. Count? Password, here we go. Edit current password. And then this button. Then we'll click edit. We'll this here and here. Oh, I didn't click save. Oh, fuck. That's one of the annoying things about this. Oh no. Oh no, now I can't change it. Can A. I'm such an idiot. New password cannot be the same as your old password. I know, but I rotated it. Shit. How do I have to reset my password now? Oh my god. I'm sorry, chat. I'm an idiot. And now I gotta figure out how to undo this. I'm gonna sign out and try and reset it that way. Death Guru, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I haven't updated my address in the AWS console in a long time. Huh. The warden keeps the password history, so you should still have the one you leaked in there. The problem is I rotated the password, then clicked submit, and didn't click save in Bitwarden. So I think I have the old. I think I didn't save the intermediate password, and that's what it's set as right now. I think, unless I did it correctly. Oh, it took me to the MFA screen, although that doesn't tell me what the password is. Oh, I'm getting captured. Gonna make me do the captcha just to tell me that the password's wrong. Fuck. All right. Captcha is wrong. This is so embarrassing. Mr. Hackintosh, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay. I think we should be good now. Copy the username this time. Copy username. Now we're getting captured because I've logged in too many times. Hang on, I'll turn this back on once I log in. But I got the capture wrong. I might be a robot. MFA. Got this out of the VOD. Why? It doesn't matter, right? Just the old password. Arrow Bounce! Thank you for the resub. It's 16 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Why would I need to cut it out of the VOD? It's just an old password. It shouldn't matter, right? And I have 2FA, so it'll be fine. I'm not gonna cut it out. I'm just gonna. I hate editing. Editing is too much work. All right. After all that mess, we are logged in now. We don't have other stuff in the keyboard. Okay, ECR. Oh, cutting me being stupid out of the VOD? Eh, whatever. That's whatever. Interesting. Hello. I definitely clicked that. That was weird. Optional. I'm just gonna not check any of these then. Create. So how do I access this? There's like Terraform import, right? What does that do? Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. How do I how do I do this? Do you think TDD is a good coding framework with a big team? Asks if thick, hit me up. I like TDD. It's not really something that you would always use all the time, but I think tests are a fairly important and integral part of the software development life cycle. But I googled, is Terraform? I don't know what that word is. What is that word? Oh. The language is homo-iconic if a program written in it can be manipulated as data using the language. I think the answer is yes, but I'm also not certain. Why are they using Terraform to manage a Docker container? This should tell me how to import it, right? Using the repository name. Okay, so Terraform import AWS ECR repository. What did I call it? Unsupported block type. I think I have to put the word resource. And then this needs quotes. Dude, I don't fucking remember how to write Terraform. What am I doing? Resource quotes quotes. Resource quotes quotes. Is there some way for it to just tell me to not put it in the state? I don't want it to be in the state. I just want to get the string of it. It does not generate configuration. Fuck! That was the whole reason I did this! Terraform generate configuration from resource. Is that a thing? 5 tools. Fucking A. What? Why? I wish I knew what you were. I wish I knew what your resources were. That's not fun to do. Is infer similar to SRD or are they different? I think of them differently, but depending on how I typed AWC instead of AWS. That's funny. I think of them differently, but you could think of them the same. Okay, describe registry. Is this a registry or a repository? It's a repository. Wait, how do I make a registry? What is the difference between a registry and a repository? Like, I didn't think I saw lifecycle policy, pull through cache, registry policy, registry config, replication config, repository. Yeah, we don't see a registry. So let's do describe registry. What do you take? Describes the settings for a registry. What happens if I just run it? Okay, so you get 1 registry per account. Okay, that makes sense. What about describe repository? Repositories, apparently. Registry ID, repository names. Registry ID. Why do we have a registry ID? Why does that matter? I think we can just do it with nothing. But what about this one? I'm very confused. Dushi says, I think you get a private and public registry, but you use the public one by default or vice versa. Then you delete stuff to the right of your cursor. Control K. Default alias is associated with your public registry once your first public repository is created. The registry alias is displayed as a prefix to the repository name and the repository URL. A custom alias can be requested on the registry settings page. Am I using the wrong account? How do I see the register ID? Public registry. Private registry? Does this have an ID that's different than this? Invalid registry ID. So what the fuck is your ID then? There are list registries? No. Describe registry? Describes the settings for a registry. See also API documentation. Yeah, real fucking helpful. Just discovered Python regex partial matches. Do you mean the regex PyPI library? Which is how I built this thing. Which I built in France. Kexit. This is a French-ass library. I built it in a hotel room in France. Or was it in Italy? I think it was in France. Sure, it was in France. What year did it get created? 2019. Yeah, this was in France. Look at this French-ass library. But, damn, that's a French-ass name. But the way it works is up in here, there's partial matching. Yeah. Binary search partial matching. Réassertion. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway. How do I find my repository? Like, it doesn't show any of them. You have so much delay? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Like, I don't know why describe repositories doesn't list it. Yeah, that number's definitely different. This stuff sucks. Why is this such a pain in the ass? Like, restart is very cool, right? Isn't it such a cool idea? The whole idea behind I don't know why I typed it like that. You fucking weirdo. The whole idea behind it is that if you have a regex failure, it will point you to the first character that doesn't match your regex. Which is really useful in tests. Because if you have like a big long pattern match on something, then it gives you a nice error message. Omelette du regex. Ah oui oui, la réassertion. They were just being mean at this point. Fuck! How is this supposed to work? This is so stupid. Why don't you do things? I'm kind of mad at this. This is annoying. Here is some ID. I think this is the registry ID. That makes sense. That does not make sense. Why is this empty? Why does this happen to me? Oh, that's the account ID? Yeah. I think the account ID is the same as the registry ID. But ASCLI list public ECR registries. Repository. Oh my fucking god. Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck? Why? It probably means that there's a public. There's another ECR here that's public instead. No, not you. I can't. You have a little thing that makes me think I can collapse you, but you can't. Dude. Oh, well, at least we fucking figured it out. Yeah. But I'm gonna go eat some food and think about what I've done. And we'll pick this up on Monday. That's so stupid. Oh, it should just be a boolean. No, it's an entire fucking different API surface area. That's so dumb. Okay, anyway, my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So subscribe there to check that stuff out. If you missed any part of the stream, I no longer put them on Twitch because of DMCA stuff, so you'll have to subscribe to the second YouTube channel, which is at anthonywritescode-vods, or you can get to it from here. Mice in the Trap, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I announce what we're going to work on, and assuming Twitter actually still exists, it will load and tell you. But maybe it doesn't. Holy fucking shit, that was so slow. What the hell? Frequency I getting containerized? It's already containerized. I'm just using ECR to store... Oh, I forgot to say hi to you at the end of the server. I saw your comment earlier, but I missed it. So hello. Hello, goodbye. But yeah. Anyway, I announce on Discord and on Twitter. Join the Discord. Come hang out with us. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask questions. And then there's a bunch of other fun social channels as well. Thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.